0550-630-664 na sunyan odwani chemo magazine wa honsu benya bi 0257-491-211 yambwa na ne mande da ye parentimi enfama Vodafone semenka enfantro said the month October no Vodafone care month penhye no ma ye no ye boa ne customers no edi abom no mo so mo do bibia use Vodafone na se ni na ze mo kan bi na mo boa mo dwumadie no mo di no eya de we pay a moton mankofo dodo na etimi eti omo nkanti omo se de omo ye ni ombe mo wade a chiska wodo na ache data ombe che airtime na fe surprises a wodo na ebe rama etimi era ma Vodafone care month ni mo na yesi ne ewo so to akoso use my Vodafone app no and afe tobi no mo digital channels a wodo na odibu adwuma na ye bomoden e ma da amazing rewards no na ne ma ekoye kama pa e de ma Vodafone care month #team service #live digital ntino e de rama ebo amane ma da ye pa etimi nye de amount Vodafone further together na mbo na hyehyɛ no enkoye ma maka ze neighbors be chicken semenka Emfa cho say the opa koko papa etibia reach through Xmas imwa otumu so mo na pomodin aye ntutuye na ano eden papa na boys be chicken si na ejuma na obone ne niema na oye no akono ntino eyade a eboa madwumade no eye kama pa na enuanum kramofo moso na muwom no mama ne mama mbre no ene boys be adodo na ebodi niti aka ne BBC no abomode di hudwuma monso no mo qualify se nenam no mo bakwa kotobiare na package ne den ori out muzampa honte omoniema bi omuye bia no ya de na kwamutine no se brothers anase layers na peno romo maso ne hwe na yetimi empoa ona ne man koye pa emfa mo nkokọ no yenwo mo mpa ne mo nro bia ebe mo nyi ntente mo be no mo nam no na ye fuse ti Xmas no yenkonkoji bi so no e maso se fu na pe akokọ no ne hye na tabu giza na pe layers awdo na de ne no yere man kraman ya e yo maso na akwakoji BBC bojuma panti oroni chema bantama high street also Presby Church ubenya no aswanse market ono unya ne niam ni bi Santase runabout Unity oyo no ubenya bi poku trading no ne wadum SG Mall oroni chema top I take ubenya bi na Shell Boadi Junction no onso gibi number ni 0544 444-453 0544-444-453 BBC efia koko papa o jena boa na hyehyɛ no adeda yeso no etimi ediama ye prenkofu mienu a ye de omobekɔ nyakwako ramu amanone na no makwako ejuma mema nko a ena jepo mo na munkomo no yesi residency permit ena fe permit awodo na ni nyina bomode agere amount uko a enya fe na akɔ bre akwako ebibibia antifana mai na nkomo bia ne mpemfo 0241 272 990 0241 272 990 ni ambwa na hyehyɛ no enko yesu etimi emfa manena komiane mikibeba ya bomode na betu moment no ewura metimi ara man ade se ran yaka se wenye dumfie du otwenko a na wo akonya so nso no obewura no ache wadwo ko Google Play Store obetimi download omo app na so ko omo handle na www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh what downloading no na abwa nyama nema koyie pa etimi ediama baby oh ya twa 100% back okeke so a obon the golden booking code no me patro fa enyi bi mfim emfa bi nka ho na utwa 1 Ghana cedi ram 50 Ghana yediwa ye sandu sika no etimi ema back echezampa ejuma no mo ye no ya de ano eden papa di so a obenye sika botwa mo juma de bi o mo di bia no terms and conditions ya de a ye apply no mo eboa manema da yi pa etimi eramantine akomia beba or the course a odro na ebe rewra mu na aboa na hyehyɛ na dadi so no etimi erama o amanone nko a na o pasase ato o pefi ato ana pebebi a onso no betra na weni beje a 52 Estate Construction Limited also rena odo ho etimi ebomo amodwuma die na omudi na no eden watra amanone abre wo fa di sika na che ni na mo no so wura na rena hyehyɛ no ekoye pre etimi edema na senete yesi no wo Ghana na obibi a obaba beto asase ni bi ase half plot na fu no ye ma 20 bags of cement seje na afa ba asase na su eno so echi no betimi etwa 50% na de aka no omo no waye ntotoe no watwa na kakrakra na aboa manema de de ama fie na edada opeso renovate a 52 Estate Construction Limited omo ene bre na yetimi aboa eturu amu na ntotoe no kwa adwuma for de omo akobebi ope bebi amoma tena contact omo number ni 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525 025797 Odo wani chemo enso ewo Facebook, Instagram, TikTok 52estate.com o akwenya so be romo na wa hu omudwuma die no mu din kran Kesama Johnson Gimpa Chimota Road no amo Kovme Plaza Kumase Odo wani chemo page 4 anto akwa no so obenyo omone aboa amane ma deda die amanto ma daroma yerani yanko amanone mema na bana fiemre roma na amanone nkomo no ento aso etimi amfamantu die so be like wa share wa comment meba na mresi no maba kenke etimi edi ama Lutaken
International Abu Dhabi
Lutaken
champion Abu Dhabi
kena bibi aboko de
oh bra nyame adom na so
oh me so me wo ye pa
oh ala de la osre
oh me kaka zaza nkofo bia invite us beto nyom November na ya na ai me ze omonso no ma sheda kakra
se over so di machi on
oh
4th November
wa chi de me di na amrado ti na me konye wo
amrado ti na
na so nyanyom ti wo nyanyom ti na amrado so abakruma be ye ya nyontofo bebrebe wa wo
enyo no money man
ena
Sikera ena Big Joe
ena omo se de
ena lady ni so di Lizzy ena omo so omo organize na omo frame no omo say Aroma Hotel e was Sufua na omo pese me ba because omo say me entertaining crofo nyom na me to Sompa TV no
omo nyom no
nti say amrado eba Aroma Hotel dia on pese obi be dikan be gina platform so shake so
etu na edo ye
nti meba me bia na amrado abeje
o ya abotiri go fo
nti na nka okra mo ni man mo se nka me nhwe na me mfa wo mra
dada bi enyo na ade me be ko me baby dada
me so okay me so ka che Aroma Hotel for say me ba na se wo beba ho a me ma because me ma me to na Stone Boy wo ma
ozi music afọ boko biti da we
oh that be say BBL platforms onya member ntini kwa say me ka bi
azeso edio la
enu asa me ye kakra bi de kire
sa ye kakra ba me le wa refo
oh that be Stone Boy enu me di nkomo say
elise ototo
ni kwa say because on say ni kwa na nse no
amrado ozezi obre ezi odi kokwa na zira cover Stone Boy
amrado
etu ujiri so you tiri bi de alutake ujiri udi so you tiri bi de
na nyanyum tuni a me say abu woni miki for the first time me person mba witness mu gimi di no 4th November no mra
matime ba de fa me kwa manone
na mo mpacho ma ye mfa akomya iso na Meatman ye nuanom on se omo nana adan bonkum so
oh okay
enra ye den kaibo ne bai na me pa china da kwasiada ena Mrs Elizabeth Mensa otiase na dodo na fa ne antiama odan bonkum so china ene be ne na wotwe na no ewo eye asufua asamai plot 22 block E hono be nti besre sede enu anu musini
Meatman ya bomo
yako nti echina anopa no wotwe kosi anwumre no nsia ena na wotwe na no be koso nti nyina be kwa akota omachi ti besre se Meatman mantie no maba no mo ya adwuma no mo namfo ni adofo nyina no yenkota omachi na bibia so nye kama nkwaku
mate king fameko
prana so na you be breaking it down na you touching it down na you knocking it down ya jeja mu yompo so dia ma ene Saturday na odibia ya said ye na yen chansam na say every Saudi Arabia upia wa Saudi Arabian League no eguso etodwa na no Jeddah derby no etimi todwa na ka Jeddah derby na Al Ittihad and it my friend Al Ali Saudi and I pim so and before the game since Audwa etimi ba joining on Sompa TV and no and that's no since na so far encouraging na very interesting no ma pinesi no bia vi set to Al Ittihad over friend N'Golo Kante and ya brantia ye friend Karim Benzema mo omo bofie ankombetimi awina ma bibia aso etimi ye kama na so no afofia nto atani agona ba mo eba na wie na Al Ittihad etifie ama Al Ali Saudi ababa so mo kapa kwa omo ntimi ante na sa game no interesting scenes between here ombo game no mo said na Ali team dominate game na and na fans ni free stadium o eso mu kofie omo chance Ricardo man video na fans no kofie na game ni man na wie na omo ko na omo ko na omo ten say Benzema she goal anya equalizer and omo said Dimrika and Omusa Baye as on Betcha Benzema go no on Baya Gua Benzema Shano referee Aka Omukasa Matsa Benzema Shagono Omu Dimrika or say ye Timna ye or say Alitiad already nan Samamoka Benzema won't Kawasa and which Omsa Brantia ye Fanham Della or the Swan Kawasa and which Omsu Biotim no one Kwasi Pimpim and more Banamoji say Timnia Diamunko the place from no Mutesa Benzema and Yashagona and see a Timni yet Tim Popanye Tim when you tell much no Omu Dimrika Kodu Stadium and ye catch on said referee no and disallow go no and Tigona and Twena almost after 10 minutes I'm not sure Muse Kofi no say Achiake a puto and we are itiad almost fancy the sea ye judge and what demamo and what jet that debinum as so no not me was Saudia Maminya Droma and nay 7th October now come soon Kumalewa Ronaldo and then Zali a year 21 years Pepe and was a professional goal was sent football career as or set the first goal as a player as a professional player Edmatima your friend Sporting CP game in a Daswa channel now a game on the first game now Ronaldo shared 2 goals now on board my Sporting CP Eshetia Tima your friend Elmorin Renzi Elmo and was Shetiamo and Ronaldo man a single 3-1 share as by then Ronaldo Afenoba Satan was 17 years 8 months 3 days and now Ronaldo now game near 7th October 2002 and what me boy I would me win sharing 2 goals I would the debut mo at my Sporting CP in the first game as a professional player and the first goal as soon as Jejamu as to Edmond I would win say net decade history Ronaldo 850 goals and over and what me say and no Edeba now no Pima Saudi Arabian League now Al Nassr etina fiane Alba Ebo 2-2 now Saudi Arabian travel Al Nassr no now omabo 10 games now you know my winning streak no to me Alba na we ye tima your friend Alba no about 2-2 now Enra abra injury time na Al Nassr every summer winning abra 8-7 Alba nya equalize our injury time no yantra reaction of C Ronaldo and Otavio as she go at my Al Nassr and Talisca at the Bakuka home and when soon Kumale went to me and you go na no bra abate Carman Bell 2-2 no and Otavio Butu Adena Ronaldo one I saw the system soon Kumalewa what ya say enye and no edeba ye jamadama na me interest stance no a cardboard bia a fan be erezi Ronaldo de babia omu yadano was love from China and a cardboard no so and obiatra or stance no opiamo all awa paka baby Al Nassr omusoma kaino and an no me koye aso adimomo na watch Ronaldo before the game and kwadan one papa e was stadium Al Awa Park omuna eyo papa baba no akoda Alana Martina ne gina no Ivasi ne gina no and Mateo on papa yo baba Ricardo Safa kwa chira mam he and kwan ne gina no bietum na mintie kakra no Emsun Kumalewa Ronaldo ne mano eno Elena Martina Eva and Matthew omo papa so omo baba eno ADC na yanko Alex Tellers esiakan eso Edmatima Jeffreno Al Nassr na ono so ne baba no say last year 2022 and ono ne ira ye Victoria Schneider e ware omo no mawo baba waso no fe akoda no ye Antonila na Antonila ni papa and also born in some dada ni nyina de no so Al Awa Park Al Nassr and sunra omo 10 game winning streak no etimi eba na wie ye enu ye de Sadio Mane game na na wie ye omo gini dini firima onu kwano no waka no biem na onu na kwano wadwa bruta eso omo yi na frame na mom no deserve san bufu enu he was the best player on the pitch eso no omo yi no edini firimo enu ye Senegalese 7 Sadio Mane de fro eba Sompa ye jama jama ne e wo dwumadi no so na migusu tim konya so ma me touch way down and fama se Cameroonian se semrebe twamdi ma wo ese oye no coaching badge no ye fa no Pierre Echile Webo and wetima wram wo ye assistant manager and assistant coach Edma Turkish Super League club ye fa Ankara Kuchu e ho ne said opanyina ye fa no Echile Webo wo pia ma wo koba adwuma aba bia so fine eno e deba na pia mo Brazil CBF no the confirmation about some World Cup qualifier game the Venezuela Edba Pimson on Besiaka or Maracana Stadium or almost one interesting thing about Maracana Stadium some game or Mulusu game or da and your CBF no don't ever to Dimano good news about Nema ne girlfriend ne partner na your friend Bruna Biancardi when you are Omubabano also ready Omo Ebe announcement say Oba and then Nema ne girlfriend no Nema akwada we wutie wa beto sika and your friend ye betiatia afen am soro medi die ade be channel yem hyeso sika wo fie bruta Nema baba na ba eno ededawa ye jejamu adamamo enne e wo dwumadi no so na owuram a ye nya dwuma we amfama ensem pina ba Paul Pogba arawo samapa the month of September and it to anim say provisionally omo abane Paul Pogba ese wakwakofa prohibited air substance wakofa adrobia eni kwasa onom edible ball eno na Paul Pogba so wote asenye ye ema okwali for counter analysis okoya for another test eno so test ni ba na wie ye me pacho asai afani positive results ni tell say ampa Pogba kofa substance eni kwasa sa substance no ye nom edible ball na demete en say Paul Pogba onu akwanya eso no ankasa betumi aklen ho eso innocent na wonim esa sadro no say any city enya sa or suspension and now ban up to 4 years answer na wetima say aba back abesi akai na demete en say Paul Pogba already the agent ye friend Rafaela Pimienta e babonti be kan sempi etudwa esa Paul Pogba wonya sadie no woni mumra no o musamra no so na demete ne eso pem anti-doping offense abo owura friend Paul Pogba no demete and they say owura no ono wakwanya so be fight and just a lengthy ban and ebeba na Paul Pogba say omo abane no eso pem Juventus enya de some training ground no obetima pem oho and watch no one signing right e bia say oni Juventus mpanyim for ebedi enkoma na so be request bi bia from ho ono na akofa na asema ba okodum ye no Juventus for so wan kahwe amfa ntromo and Paul Pogba ne contract no 8 million euro a year say 42,000 euros a year and on the Paul Pogba and no ede fro eba ye jam edamamo e wo Juventus asue aso enonomi Ramos Serie A urama and the games outdoor e betima to January e bitimi to dwa and no games to dwa Empoli and Udinese and the boy no am the Udinese Calcio am game quite 0-0 and your resource e to dwa and what you pema Lecce etina fieni Sassuolo ebo 1-1 Abrante Nicola Kristovic go Edma Lecce and Abrante ye fieni Domenico Berardi as we take ano Edma Sassuolo manu kwa 1-1 na Abrante Domenico Berardi this season over form brutal so far 6 games and wabo na 6 games now washa 5 goals while 1 assist inform striker and no Domenico Berardi and pemo Sassuolo CEO ye fieni Cannavali edia tuka was so a surprise no papa eye no one papa ni nyina no say Abrante Domenico Berardi identity top clubs no someone obiantima ma metabri ni setabri wa amfana nko ni nyina no say was boy no we top player adwuma no nimpo na was nko be for Juventus e ba ho benye na nko mo pe no na mum na valu na omo de to ne so no Juventus fantimentua enu kampi ena ma Domenico Berardi entuma nwram no eno pemo Serie A yade some games na ebo 1 pm Inter Milan Bologna enu achi no pema ebo 4 pm enu Juventus ebo Torino Genoa and Milan game no asu ebe totwa enu game to 6:45 na mayantwa opema Luka Jovic AC Milan player the meeting na no pay as a likely send game no obetuma shase dama AC Milan omo bobo ekono na wura ye fe no Olivier Giroud owura no bakaya fibrinum na puma for a customized ultra boot Edima Ora your friend Olivier Giroud Nina so all-time leading top scorer Edma France national team no so kopema na renew ano akaka na se aba so pema puma for esa the ultra boot no for France and Jabrano and no likely so be jema se aka boduma Edema Milan Poboko no ma mentwa esimlant team no abra omu pemo Mapenza airport and pay ya place no omu arrival no nina se omu kopemo Genua omu the plane and na epeko omu tiye omu within Italy as omu ko Genua omu the flight and eko and omu pemo Mapenza airport place ne ko akwa ma bia so to my fine and no edepa ye jamo nyame pachina game ba ku betodwa and no Cagliari ni Roma and ede ebepem so na Mourinho abanka ba ebetuma to Jose Mourinho nsa ni nyina no say jame say na wonim na kina okolusu game eye Roma ekwa we Cagliari na okolusu pe Roma team no ombetumi apam Jose Mourinho and no edemetia mi jeja mo edamamo and anopai e wodwumadi no so and your latest reporter opiamo Italy and na monten so ye jamo aso edamamo no and watch it 645 and Napoli and Fiorentina and the ebepem so na mi wo Italy ma menye e goalkeepers omoye most expensive goalkeepers e was Serie A no aso mfama opiamo Milan no goalkeeper your friend Mike Mignon on the most expensive goalkeeper 45 million euros and what you call Napoli goalkeeper your friend Alex Meret no or 18 million euros and what you pay na setima your friend Atalanta goalkeeper your friend Marco Canisetti or no and third most expensive 13 million euros and now pay Lazio goalkeeper no so Ivan Provedel no 12 million euros and na Chelsea Juve no 10 million euros what the fifth position most expensive goalkeeper Serie A what that's so Enciano goalkeeper your friend Michel Di Gregorio no Edmond Moisa or 8 million euros and now compare more Atalanta your goalkeeper one Muso no so buono 8 million euros and now Pima your goalkeeper Emilio Odero on Inter Milan on 6 million euros and now Pima your Vladimiro Falcone on Leche on so buono as 5 million euros and a goalkeeper your friend Marco Silvestri on Sudam as Edma Etime friend Udinese on the buono 5 million euros and a Jan Soma 5 million euros for Inter and a Rio Patricio 5 million euros Roma and no Edepa ye Jamotema young Rom Asunya Juma as La Liga Fama and no Athletic Bilbao Etinafie as any 8 UD Ameria and a Bepana Natima your friend Athletic Bilbao and we need 3-0 and we are Brantia your friend Goka Gruzeta was a go and a Danny Garcia and a Ojan Sunset or more and a shot 3 goals now and watch at about 2:15 Real Madrid Osasuna a game about Tuka na Jude Muchata hey Jude so far the player of the month Real Madrid player of the month of September or no and Mutamano watching back to back a player of the month of August or no energy and a Jude Muchata hey Jude SRJ September and no Pedimamo and watch 4:30 Real Mallorca Valencia and watch no Pema they say about 7 p.m. Sevilla Rayo Vallecano and no Ediatia ye jam Ediamamo a PM 12 noon a BRL Las Palmas and watch a 2:15 Atletico Madrid Real Sociedad and no Ediabra ye jam Ediamamo a 7 p.m. and we are Granada Barcelona and no Ediaba no performer Barcelona or moving girlfriend Isaac Cuenca at the age of 32 while calling off or in football career were retired and Isaac Cuenca so far 224 games or 27 goals at the age of 32 were retired and we are devil Pedri and a Barcelona player and the say Barcelona team now or it's a player paying and a dressing papa player paying and a dressing now Pedri being and say Mr. Togasman you also want to Togasman join your Sompa TV and I say Facebook and then that's no and we Jules Kunde on Mr. Togasman Fred Yashana say no footballer or Kokamp bia dressing in the massa Narex the Allah Gaskia Kina na no denem and no Edeba Barcelona say see some Ramo Akobusa RB Leipzig player Opolona your friend Javi Simons ɔmo kobusa no nsɛm basa so ɔmo former La Masia player enti nkomunya na ɔmo pɛ ɔmo kodi no nkomo ɛno ɛdeba na Roma Atletico Madrid directors no ɔmo so ɔmo ahyɛ pepa ɔmo nsa adaya Brentford fan João Felix no ɛyɛ so far no performance team Barcelona no ɛbɔ no ɛbɛkɔ so be 80 million euros ɛno ɔmbɛtɔn no ɛde ama Barcelona bobo eku no ɛno ɛde dawa ye jam ɛde ama mo ye nwura mo league ne anya adwuma ma mo opiem anu Strasbourg ɛtena fie Emma Nons ɛbɛbɔ mo 8-1 ɛno yɛ results of Friday night football league no pie ɛno kyɛ ne 7 pm ɛyɛ Rem ɛbɔ AS Monaco ɛno yɛ notable game ɛbɛtɔ dwane ɛno kyɛ kyina opiem ɛbɔ 11 am ɛyɛ team Olympic ma sɛ ɛbɔ 8 ma yɛ fɛn lo have ɔmo no ɔmo ɛbɔ ɛno kyina start Brest ɛso ɛbɛbɔ na mo opiem team fɛn Olympic Lyon Fabio Grosso ni team no ɔmo bɔ against FC Lorient ɛno kyina opiem na Lons ɛbɔ Lille Metropole ɛno sɛ 3 pm kyina ɛna Rennes ɛbɔ PSG ɛno ɛyɛ kyina 6:45 ɛna saa game no ɛso ɛbɛtɔ dwa ɛno yɛ deba pm Germany ɛno yɛ Bundesliga no owurama no Borussia Mönchengladbach ɛne Mainz Numfan ɛbɔ 2-2 ɛno results ɛtɔ dwa ɛna ɛbɔ 1:30 Augsburg ɛbɔ Darmstadt ɛbɔ 1:30 wɔ Signal Iduna Park Dortmund ɛbɔ Union Berlin ɛno akyi RB Leipzig ɛbɔ Bochum ɛno yɛ 1:30 ɛno akyi VfB Stuttgart ɛbɔ Wolfsburg ɛno yɛ 1:30 ɛno akyi Werder Bremen ɛne Hoffenheim ɛno yɛ 4:30 na ɛkyerɛ pm Asante ɛno ɛtumi fɛ no Leverkusen Xabi Alonso ne Leverkusen no ɛkyerɛ 1:30 ne FC Cologne na Alonso team ne gyina ne nan so sɛ pm Bundesliga ɔmo ɛna da so pm Europa League no ɔmo group ɔmo dam no ɔmo da soro ɛno akyi this season ɔmo ɛlusu game bia ɛno yɛ Xabi Alonso Leverkusen ɛno ɛdeba yɛde ɛma mo na anopai ɛwɔ final lap dwumadie no so na pema Bayern Munchen ɛne Freiburg ɔmo game ne ɛkyina ɛyɛ 1:30 na ɛba so na pema Bayern Munchen sɛmfa nto anim ɛsɔ mo annual general meeting no AGM ɛbɛto dwa ɛnyame pa 12 November anopa 11 am ɛna ɔmo annual general meeting no ɛbɛto dwa ɛbɛkɔ so Rudi Sadmaya Hall ɛna ɛbɛtumi ato dwa ama bia so fine ɛno ɛdeba yɛnwura ɛwɔ Premier League no na me breaking it down na me touching it down na me knocking it down ɛnkyɛkyɛ mu yɔ mpɔmfama na mmom ma me ɛmfa wei ɛma ɛsɛ opiem wɔ Premier League no a sɛ ne ɛtɛ ne bɔ 11:30 am early kick-off no Luton Town ɛne Tottenham Hotspur na opiem a player yɛfrɛ Andres Townsend ɔwura no wɔwɔ Luton Town wɔyɛ trial na demetri sɛ ɔpɛ contractor ne trial no aka krab na form so far ne performance no asome no mpɛsɛ ɔma no contract ɛno ɛdeba na Ange Postecoglou ɔno ɛyɛ Tottenham Hotspur boss ɛna ɔpanyin no yɛbusa no ɛno ansɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛne ne ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛna ɔwura bi ɔnsɛntwerɛfoɔ no ɛgary Cotterill ɛtumi ɛkɔbɔ ɛnwom bi ɛde kyerɛ no ɛnwom no title no happy day song no ne nyina no sɛ sɛ nɛ wɔtumi ɛwini ne game no against Luton Town a Tottenham bɛkɔ akɔda soro na yɛnte abrɛ mo bɔ ɛnwom man deɛ ɔkaeɛ.
I know you don't want to talk about Fonz again, but you could go top of the league this weekend.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Something to be happy about, right?
Oh, wow.
I know you don't want to...
ɛno ɛdeɛ tɛ wow ne nsa sɛ ɔno kora no ne team no ayɛ dabro so ɛno ɛdeɛ tɛ ne Tottenham ɔmu wini pɛ league table na ɔmu kɔda soro na ɛno akyi ne ɔpanyin ɛfɛ no Ange Postecoglou yɛsan ebusa no about the video technology VAR no ɔse ɛyɛ adeɛ ɔno kora ɔmpɛ saa adeɛ no.
This is probably the only time where I'm happy I'm 58 and not 38. I don't know what the game's going to look like in 20 years' time, and I'm not sure I would like it with the way it's going, because I've always loved, the fact that our game has more
Was say a just said the next 20 years now or nimpabia football no beko akodro abra video technology no ye dwuma just one shadanya da no Liverpool folk come disallow you know ni nyina ya just emwa football no enu ensem ode to Burnley na 2 p.m. omni inform Chelsea and they pem so na Chelsea win back to back and ye so wura ye friend Pochettino as a team na win back to back on na wura e whatever more against Vincent Company ne Burnley ne dia na woka
two victories, and it's important to keep thinking in the same way that we need to improve. And when we were losing games and not getting what we deserve, I think keep the balance was the most important too. Keeping the belief. I think the most important is the journey, and I think we know very well that we need to keep improving. We won 2 games, but still nothing.
Omo winning 2 games at was over Carabao Cup any Premier League na omo enya 2 wins bi atwa so na we say edrum ebi no mu lose games eno nya de na omo epe eno no eno owura fam Mauricio Pochettino ena de to ya about 2 p.m. Everton Bournemouth ebeto dwa saso p.m. games out where ba no and the Fulham so ball against Sheffield United 2 p.m. Manchester United ball Brentford and we game ebeto dwa so so p.m. Manchester United and now game nim na so lose se kukro for the first time since 1979 United lose 3 games consecutively Old Trafford at their twaso and no at their bed na Marcus Rashford also said the formula drop it or compare last season and this season last season 2022-2023 now minutes per goal or assist 905 minutes or 105 minutes biana one shekwa where assist now 2023-2024 192 minutes in and yabusa Eric Ten Hag as a Rashford the form no then I will can adia for home as a Crawford Barcelona yente Eric Ten Hag and some of Kafa Rashford.
That is a team and of course him and there's both, and so I'm sure there's normal and that you are not always in the same levels, and of course everyone knows the qualities of him and also the opposition knows the qualities, but if Resi is doing the thing right and the team is doing the thing right, we will put him in the right places and then it's up to him.
O say team ni nyata na chi abrabo sanete to da bia bekwe obia nim say sa no na betwam Rashford form ne beba eno achi na ebusan so panyini na mo post start of the season dey na Mr. Ten Hag o kan dia fa ho.
And there's no club where it never go down. And yeah, we are in a bad place. But then you have to fight only.
Let's say United team never fight it together. No more over 10 resources, no more banner. Na football club Bienwa, Abrabom Uncle from the Ensign Ambassador, and we have some Eric Ten Hag to Janra, Manchester United, a money team no, and the Arsenal Manu Super League, Mama the Bosso, na Glazer family protesting South Coast, Glazers out, no, El Corso, and no, and a dash history, dignity, integrity. You stole it all, and no idea to invest in Manchester United women's team and the banners na abo Glazers out ni na kira say omo protest e de tia Glazers na so omo nko etodwa ewo upiema Live Sports Village ho na Arsenal man no Abra United man no host to omo de etodwa no na upiema yemfa ntwam say Brighton Liverpool china 1 p.m. etodwa West Ham United so ball against Aston Villa no empatch against Newcastle United na Wolves ni Aston Villa and Arsenal Man City and Mikel Arteta a confirm say owura ye fen Bukayo Saka ne party enyina be available etmesi aka na Bukayo Saka dia metin so ma clear no ese kira game no obetimi abobi ede ama Arsenal abrom Man City de pem so na no ede ete no ye nyina so na nsama wodo a ye boabo no enne anopai ewo ye final lap dwumadie mu no ya touch ne down breaking it down knocking it down no ye mfansa na bedwafo mfa de aka nyina entro aso
asira kasi akwa TV fama Lutake se wa bono mo de nkoma wodo na ababa be de quick one mamre na birthday special na yenko enim kakra na nema and the day kama pay timi afama na tutie no so no timi ekweti agye Michael akomi agyenfi wa na agyenfi bomode na ode ashase na ye didi nkoma after no Ricardo Vaz beba na fi Michael Asaibodu enso ewramu na ye didi nkoma anti ekode ba pe exactly beye 10:40 o making kind messages ne kakra na mahwe na bibibia de dem a yasen ewram na punchline so no ababa be ramu etimi era ma Ricardo de dem a me enko na ye bobo so a quick one na de akibia no emra na emma meto aso na enhihye no and that is so a special bidding kwemfama a champoma Victoria do not afere avik madam HRD ewo wenchi na madam nyamisha papa uze meme no de dani de nyina yana dono so yeson kuzo madam happy birthday kwemfama na ne ayoda no nyami insha na bibia and that the ready other ones no na yanku anim happy birthday kwemfama Sukrita JC Nimakon na OUS do na fe na frakoma ni mami pokua ye no ewo Sompa TV ni sister no so Sukrita happy birthday kwemfama frakoma na nyami insha na ne mande da dimpa entimi emfama the other ones no happy birthday ko emfama Mr. Ofe ewo Mampon na Mr. Ofe ne ewa wora no so nyami insha no mboa na de opibia nema end da ye kama so no entimi emfa emao na bibibia anko na happy birthday ko etimi emfa ma ame padi pa Josephine ye nurse ni uruwa ni chemo sunya so jo ena ayoda no nyami insha no mboa na nema nko kama so no entimi emfa ma na bibia enso end da ye so entimi emfa ma na biso nko emfa ema Madam Abigail Asiedua Seche na uruwa ni chemo University of Energy and Natural Resources a basic school e wo sunyane hona madam so chade zo madam na ayoda no nyami insha papa na ombwa na nema ndeda yeso entimi emfama ntino mame komanim na meza aba na yehwani ewram ni ndidi nkoma odo na bibi anda meza mpombo ko de
abudi abi nyame adomahwe ni experience bibi ade de ma hodo na le wo hono me wo si timi it's also another weekend where I'm for the door na bitimi I enjoy kakra aha no mo hu said the New City Echo edema football na they want me castle na
me ton kan de bibia show aba me wan say outside you know yewe bibia de dem
okay ba asisi bibia de dem say okay correct iti abu ani ebedi nkomo ahodo bebre na na edi nkomo no so a ene ye hwe key games ebetimi abaso this particular weekend na yetimi ehunu kwa ebetimi afaso amana kode edi kan ye chance ye for the German Bundesliga where Leipzig, Borussia Dortmund and FC Bayern Munich ejina akono na yabebo bi tew ebi so on ma yebechirima mo hunu di nti aye kasa asem no Leipzig and VfL Bochum one particular game Abu Dhabi ye nyina ditumi say Leipzig one hoden e de chen VfL Bochum with Blasvich, Lukeba, Simakan, Klosterman, Lukeba, Rom, Sklaga, Campbell, Baumgartner, Carvalho, Openda, Sesko against this particular team omutimi show mo hodo na we game ditumi say Leipzig ebetimi enya win no e wo fie against VfL Bochum na ubetimi akọ game we say Leipzig handicap 1 goal against VfL Bochum ubetimi show mo 2 or more goals crampa VfL Bochum kra na o show mo difference 1 goal or difference 2 goals in this particular encounter anytime goal scorer 4 RB Leipzig in this particular encounter Lois Openda and Benjamin Sesko in this particular encounter between Leipzig and VfL Bochum. Then one big game ebetimi akoso ebetimi ahwe ni din BFB and Borussia Dortmund and Union Berlin. Union Berlin this particular season in the Bundesliga omunya winning game. This season in the Bundesliga Union Berlin in winning game.
But last season almost started very
last season no form ne pa. But this season almost chance you know in terms of the Bundesliga they are struggling. No matter almost a Champions League they could pick up. And then also so no you Braga Jumedi or the day or the deal they will be eager to get a result. But this is a Borussia Dortmund side in their last home games in the last 5 to 6 na they so be remove here kwa show. Itiene Union Berlin our big header to actually pass through with Kobel, Schlotterbeck, Sule, Wolf, Reinsen, Oskan, Emre Can, Marco Reus, Julian Brandt, Falkirk, and Malen. This is a game Abu Dhabi. Yadi 2 years say, despite quality ekutomu with Bonucci, Lete, Doiki, Robin Gosen, Sebera, Lajduni, Kral, Juranovic, Becker, and the Berriens, no. Borussia Dortmund beat me away, but this is a game where Union Berlin they defend so well, but I told them I must lose concentration. But Abu, Borussia Dortmund double chance and under 4.5.
Oh.
Borussia Dortmund double chance because Union Berlin will be willing to push, defend at least. So when we need the corner, they should pick up a point away against Borussia Dortmund, and Dortmund too can lose concentration anytime. So this is a game lose to the very difficult for Dortmund to lose. So double chance Borussia Dortmund and under 4.5. So courage Borussia Dortmund straight win. Anytime goal scorer for Union Berlin in this aspect Becker. Anytime goal scorer for Borussia Dortmund, Malen or Falkirk in this particular aspect. Then Bayern Munich Everton fear about Freiburg. Freiburg form not aqua on and off. Abu Dhabi. But on much I saw more drink a especially looking at the performance of modern edition West Ham. Bayern Munich, are they good enough assistants to make sure say they have authority over games? No. Bayern Munich, ewa hodene there. But my hodene no bebre. I bet you make say way. I bet you make Freiburg defense 3 goals, defense 2 goals. Akosra defend 1 goal for Bayern Munich against Freiburg. All right, better put him Diot Opamecano, Colonel Lama, Joshua Kimmich, Leon Goretzka, Afonso Davies, Kim Min-jae, Ababak, then Kingsley Coman, Jamal Musiala, Leroy Sané, Hurricane, Lucas Holler for the other side, Richard Duan, Vincenzo Grifo, Melin Rohel, Maximilian Egesten, Roland Salai, Kylian Sidilia, Matthias Genta, Philip Lienhart, Lucas Kubler, and their goalkeeper, Noah Atubolu. But in this particular game, anytime goal scorer for Bayern Munich, Hurricane, anytime goal scorer for Freiburg, bet my Richard Duan in this particular encounter. But Abu, Bayern Munich win and over 1.5. And my handicap 1 goal, 1 goal no crowd because Bayern Munich in your team am give to me say am form no. On bet me more handicap goals. So for safe reasons, bet me over 2.5 and now say Bayern Munich win and over 1.5. Anytime goal scorer in this particular game, Hurricane or Richard Duan, Edema Freiburg. Then René Bebofie Edia Paris Saint-Germain. Now man for Casse Paris Saint-Germain players and ban ain't effective in this game.
What they?
Next game ni be effective. LGBT issues are when the umbrella. It means na man for raising concerns. Yes, but there are issues to raise concerns not because of those players but in terms of the form of Paris Saint-Germain, especially playing against a free scoring Rennes side. I get to me say omudia denya omubeshe go against a team of Paris Saint-Germain with Steve Mandanda, Andre Touffet, Asa Fiate, Wamed Omari, Laurence Assignon, Benjamin Bordeaux, Ubenya Amin Gouri, Nemanja Matic, Ibrahim Salah, Betuk Osgar Yidrim, then Ludovic Vlas against Gonzalo Ramos, Manuel Ugarte, Kylian Mbappe, Osman Dembele, Vitinha, Raheem Zayn, Emery, Milan Skriniar, Lucas Hernandez, Marquinhos, Akraf Hakimi, and Gianluigi Donnarumma. Abu, this particular game ebe produce goals. It's over 1.5 over 2.5 between Rennes and the Paris Saint-Germain. Anytime goal scorer, Kylian Mbappe. Anytime goal scorer for Rennes, go for Betuk Osgar Yidrim. Ondo and the betimi enya go dia momo. But opeso unya bibisu na so de ko anima. This game no home or away and over 1.5. Home or away over 1.5. Safe reasons, Rennes go over 0.5. They said an anno make say South Young Boys and Osman Bukari team no che Young Boys go no che Rennes for to go say over 0 no answer crowd one say go crowd no obesha 1 goal in this particular game against Paris Saint-Germain. Abu, near move on to the Italian Serie A. Inter Milan straight win against Bologna. Inter Milan, they are in so much form. Anytime goal scorer for Inter Milan, we quite remember ball lineup in this because the form of Inter Milan no, and Bologna difficult for Bologna to get results against Inter Milan with you. Also last weekend, maybe catch that was say Sassuolo mutimi Inter with you.
Yes.
And then also we Inter, but Bologna a team won't me Inter with you. So this is a game called Inter Milan win and under 3.5. Inter Milan and chef 4 and now 5 in this as his goals in the Inter Milan be show 2. Akosura 3. And in this game, anytime goal scorer, Lautaro Martinez in this particular encounter against Bologna. The Turin Derby. Juventus ebo etia Torino na Abu Dhabi Juventus ankasa no omo good track record against Torino ofie omo tie some the last 16 games Torino etimi win mu be 2 against Juventus
last 16
games so
I remember that match where you about the buy attention
in terms of the yes anan tokwani ne go be ko park ne so Juventus
do it for no also change Torino
for my game near for so Juventus today Chesney Danilo Bremer Gatti Fagioli Locatelli Andre Rabiot Cambiaso Weston McKennie Akadios Milik and Moise Kean. On the other half, Ubenya Shoes, Rodriguez, Tameze, Milankovic Savic Niano. On the better go for Silvia Momo. Bellanova, former Inter Milan player, no. On Torino, ne. Elech, Richie Lazaro, Vlasic, Karamo, and Duvan Zapata in this particular encounter. This is a game called Juventus double chance and over 1.5. Juventus is not losing this game.
All lose game.
Juventus double chance and over 1.5 on your safe. And I go straight Juventus win. And a Juventus to win either half. O person na person won toss wa eye den ya Torino so ba benya go etia Juventus. Juventus difficult to keep clean sheet against Torino in the twin derby. Despite on side do almost say they be omo ye dey. Omo show omo. Anytime goal scorer for Torino, choose either Vlasic or Zapata. Say omo and betimi anya goals no and now betimi anya goal e dey ama Torino. But for Juventus, anytime goal scorer Akadios Milik in that particular setup or Andre Rabiot say ono e betimi anya sa goal no e dey ama Juventus. Then we move on to AC Milan any Genoa ha adwen pa fi Abu Dhabi. Genoa for no gro ho be ye won adwuma pa and AC Milan on their way form in such a role no very difficult and Abu AC Milan kwa we bia na goalless is 7 mon time she goals bebreni all of these things with Vasquez, Bani, Dragusin, Topsy, Fendrop, Malinowski, Maturo, Divinta, Goodmorsen and Retogi against AC Milan's Mike Mignon, Theo Hernandez, Thiaw, Famori, Florenzi, Musa Adli, Tijani Rendes, Rafael Leao, Pulisic and Olivier Giroud. Abu Yajitumi said this is a gamer called under 4.5 or under 3.5 for safe reasons. Under 4.5 or under 3.5 for safe reasons. So Kadeja, Chejano 2 goals.
O Chejano 2 goals are now why they.
Chejano 2 goals are home win.
Oh, okay.
It is Chejano 2 goals neko home win. AC Milan na Chejano akra na Emro 1 difference. Emro 1 difference.
Oh, okay.
But safe there under 3.5 or under 4.5. Anytime goal scorer for AC Milan, Olivier Giroud. Anytime goal scorer for General Goodmorsen.
Oh, okay.
Conformo. The co-anim. Abu Napoli Fiorentina form last weekend no na Vincenzo Italiano bo afupa. Some midweek no mo boy na so akwa bodro tutu na ni nye ho. So they will need a reaction especially against a Napoli team. You would say almost an consistent to say the other years a tremolo. Rudy Garcia have a tough task. Alex Meret, Ostigard, Nathan Mario Rui, Giovanni Di Lorenzo, Frank Anguissa, Stanislav Lobetka, Piatruele Zelensky, Kvaratskhelia, Victor Osimhen, Matteo Politano, Lucas Martinez Quata, Fabiano Parisi, Nikola Milankovic, Michel Kayode, Asu, then Rolando Mandrogora, Josip Bracola, Giacomo Bonaventura, Nicolas Gonzalez, Mbala, Izola, wow player. Airport. Yes, and Abu Dhabi, way a gamer, Napoli and Casanova to Fiorentina Ufi.
Yes.
In the last 10 games, Napoli earned more than even 3 against Fiorentina Ufi. And here comes the case that they will need to also prove a point in terms of the league. Home or away and over 1.5 in this game. Home or away and over 1.5 in this game. And a full game now over 2.5. Anytime goal scorer in this game, Nico Gonzalez for Fiorentina. Now no Thursday, only better than he gave me.
Yes.
Any the performance, no so any power. Anytime goal scorer for Napoli in this particular aspect, Victor Osimhen. Itiabu, this is for what I'll give to Napoli and Fiorentina. Atletico Real Sociedad, both teams to score. Atletico Real Sociedad, both teams to score. Atletico Real Sociedad, both teams to score. Anytime goal scorer, again, Antoine Griezmann. Anytime goal scorer, Mikel Oyarzabal. call for air race Sociedad. Barcelona, everybody tia Granada, call away win for Barcelona. Anytime goal scorer for Barcelona, go for Joao Felix or Ferran Torres in this particular aspect. Barcelona, ebeshe air Granada, ewa away. Real Madrid win against Osasuna, ne. Real Madrid go straight win against Osasuna. Men kwache handicap because quite dicey. Real Madrid could even win the game 2-1, 1-0, or even 2-0. But anytime goal scorer for Real Madrid, go for Vinicius Jr. Oba Enonyan Shego, Oba bring in a lot of confidence, so baby, Bidiatia, Osasuna, Eofie, or Jude Bellingham in this particular encounter against Etima. From Arsenal, Manchester City could go for both sides. Arsenal, Man City go for both sides. Encounter ni match a many beji won pass me hwe ne yesese Ben White sha ase dia and Jeremy Doku was Sompa or Ben White. Me heard Ben White be wo de tia Jeremy Doku.
Ben White here difficult so be bia.
Abu Jeremy Doku be ye no adwuma kra.
Ben White there me say
Jeremy Doku be ye no e ho na asem ne won e ho because on Kabukayo Saka ye fitter.
Yes.
Kono na be support Benjamin White most of the time. But then only one of them, how does Gabriel Jesus support him? One key factor. Jeremy Doku so they say they was soldier no. Abu, by game way go. Anytime goal scorer for Manchester City, Julian Alvarez.
Oh, okay.
Anytime goal scorer for Arsenal, for Leandro Trossard in this particular game. Over 2.5, go. And I say anytime goal scorer is Namabodino. Call between these two sides. But Abu, open the bet me winning this game narrowly. Me call the Manchester City. Liverpool against Brighton. Brighton home goal over 0.5. Say Brighton benya goal. And now both teams to score in this particular encounter. Anytime goal scorer for Liverpool, Diogo Jota. Diogo Jota card no makwa kwa apili. Ama say na me so mo ya dia to so me man back. But so answer say anytime goal scorer for Diogo Jota to nche Mo Salah she go ache.
Ati uba kwa Masala.
And Mo Salah be hard in the papa. Anytime goal scorer for Brighton and Hove Albion go for Joao Pedro. Chelsea to win, Manchester United go for either half to win or Manchester United to win either half. Manchester United to win either half. Men could try Manchester straight win.
Then my interest straight
Manchester United to almost form the day. Manchester United form no.
I will call you out of a man.
Yes, and then the course never had and then there were 10 odds, more 20 odds, and I'm more 70. 10 odds near 3A.
3A,
3C,
3C,
6D8,
6D8,
3A,
3A,
3C,
3C,
6D8,
6D8,
10 odds.
Oh, okay.
Anna 20 odds near 3A,
3A,
3F,
3F,
OD1,
OD1.
Anna make ODSA maybe 0D1.
Oh, okay.
It's 0D1.
Oh, okay.
So 3A,
3A,
3F,
3F,
0D1.
0D1.
And we are 20 odds.
Yeah.
Anna 70 plus odds.
Uh-huh.
And 3A,
3A,
3F,
3F,
72D.
72D.
3A,
3A,
3F,
3F,
72D.
72D.
And you see anytime goal scorer tips.
Oh, okay.
Ubetima chichema na 1-1. Ubetima for 2 out of it. Said you befe bia na won tem. Ye jitu mi yesa weekend way.
Omo mbeshe go.
Omo mbeshe go no. Hurricane beshe go.
Oh, okay.
Lautaro Martinez beshe go. Julian Alvarez beshe go. Mo Salah beshe go. Vinicius Jr. beshe go. And James Maddison.
Oh, okay.
It's out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ubetima pick anytime goal scorer for betting.
Mate medase party ano ya Michael Akomia Jenfi. So Michael babo modena wa show na mo here on TV on Facebook no. Ma babo modena ma hu betway course na ne. Ye de adwuma na ya kan se eye betway. www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh when you do fie do watch a o qualify so so be ram na wakọ akwa akutwa di no. Ye wish him all the best na koku ram na mboa. Ma ne man deda di paint me emfa kama na ntoto no. And that the Lucas Travel Consult Semenka and Franchos Amanonin Como Eyo Masweye Yadube Rumna Wakwa Kudum Asumjim Amanema Kuye Pere Amade Momon Common ye Denise. Yes, Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, Australia, baby, so Kwaku Sia dear, Yabuakwaji scholarship the mouse oko Aquaco Tranquaku Yijmani Nebena, Yerwakona, Udo Niskakra, Fernando Munin Como, Ninan so Munshimuno, Yababo Modia Jubi Bia Mao, Ye Pe. na watwa sika no akwa passport no Lucas Travel Consult monko a na abenya san hyehyɛ no na yɛse na yɛsɛ passport na apɛ birth certificate na bank statement be na yɛtimi aboa until form number no na ne omonkasa 0534 543 210 0534 543 210 opo mo a oro ani chemo Toma Golf City a obenya omo kredi omo airport marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrator shop attendant and a house help and a accountant ne omo etimi abo adwuma nti ramuna eno wo hu nimdi a ne omo nkasa ne mboa na ne man de Ricardo na bibia aboko de
o abo bibia e fine awon so
o me nso me ho ye pa fa me ram na me nim bibia wo de me hya ase
Abu, my man starting from free Saudi Arabia. Now, I started there free Saudi Arabia. Saudi money when I started there free.
Oh, okay.
Since Saudi money free Liverpool, no, it seems that yes, Saudi money na no. Not in terms of performance, but in terms of character and how we see carrying home. Because her circumstances are ni free Bayern Munich, Echo, Al Nassr, and the all your honor. It makes me feel say uhiamwa.
Sada huno.
And Saudi money hiamwa. Hiamwa as we hear people to work on his temperament for him to be calm as he was with Team FM Liverpool.
Oh, okay.
Because when you talk about Sadio Mane, people make us believe that he's that quiet type. He's that kind of a person. He's always calm and he wants to be enjoying his space. Or violent. But in recent times, since we feel Liverpool, who makes you believe that there be as a Sadio Mane and so a violent type Nibia. The CC Mane to me free to my friend Bayern Munich was game of boy and then Oko Poncha bunch of Sadio Leroy Sani. And then eventually he he was out of the team for some time and eventually Utimi free to my friend Bayern Munich Bobo Kunim. Oko Anasa Yakuhunuma Oyo Ho. Yehu game our share go then na Okuntoka. And so her Adiana or the air Kuntokana, you ask yourself say a den ema Wako Santokano. So a footballer and a footballer of his kind, but be what Bobo no for them playing in the Premier League, in the Bundesliga, in the Champions League, no room or Saudi Arabia. The challenger corner so and bufuye man kokon dan to kana nya dia be kase a career threatening tackle binti so team kokon toka but or react in a way na ensela papa. Then again enra omo game and ye in a film and look at how we see react here or parking so.
You know, when a bunny see there issues in this anima Weber.
Maybe he thinks Bono he's playing good game or Bobo.
No, me cry no game no in a hole. To say the all cano after Liverpool no you mean same Brony Leroy Sani no. So Bon says Sadio Manu Betis a watone sana Eddie. But when we on this Sani issues be brainy ade. A day and a day bar frustration another day.
I think there frustration. And when you start your brow call out, I want to Mama World Cup nibi. After so that injury now buy no. He's not been the Sadio Mane we used to know. In terms of even performance, Krano, we've not seen Sadio Mane so my that performance, you know, because he was someone many believe it was a bad decision. Sell Liverpool for Janama Bayern Munich because they thought he was giving them a lot of performance and they good. And our form no be brain. To move Janama and one for GD is a papa. But or call Bayern Munich no or starting games no perform it. But Prako Bayern and no the Dimo and America say he needs help. Maybe a psychologist will do. Now, and so sharp. The first time I barely buy, Vincent Company and the first win. And I say a character and a man the boys into me win here. Chelsea are winning to us 2 times, and they believe that now they need to continue winning to get them to the place they want to be. This is a game between 2 teams. I feel will be try to find his feet. His feet in a sense. Burnley. The first time we points was against Luton Town last week.
Yes.
ene omobo fie Chelsea to wetima union to us, so they believe that yen twas ni ntimi but now it comes into the place Chelsea bo no, they've not been the Chelsea we used to know. You have Pochettino Nyoma or her senko betimi aye yesterday season ntimi nyane sa because when in Sambia or he believes that Chelsea yet deserving of what they are having in terms of performance, in terms of goals or much, because he believes that the team the ball pa but won't mean goals, you know. Now Omanya back-to-back win and they want to come and do the job for them. Vincent Company need to let people know that and yet fluke when no year championship in him. The kind of air qualification, the kind of performance, he needs to make people know that and yet fluke, and now he also needs to carry on. And so have for the next one, a place that Chelsea lose that. 8 games, Chelsea are winning 7. What about draw back up? Into 10 more and a big game for my Chelsea. But the guys need to come to the field of play. Tell people say that 2 games that they had wasn't a fluke. They are going to do things. Every month for say Chelsea is at the rebuilding stage, but they have to get certain results. Because all the Chelsea games are not boy now. Liverpool won a tough game. I say rebuilding the team. Any match ABI to room, but Nottingham Forest more, Fulham more, Bournemouth more. We saw Chelsea struggling everything. I think that this is the time the boys need to make almost support this in our way. Say, I have rebuilding stage in here, but these are kind of games that young Kasaya rebuild in the end. Me winning, they need to win for them. So I'm going for say Chelsea, but a convincing win for Chelsea. It's been a long time since who's a Chelsea and a convincing win.
So we're convincing.
So this should be a convincing win to let the supporters know. There's 2 wins, no one know any fluke, and they are going to do 10 for them. So a convincing win, like a 3-0 win, a 4-0 win for Chelsea in this Burnley game, because I know it's a Burnley, they have their own problems and company, their experience and everything in the Premier League. And also the idea and share any so it's a game a bit me I done deal the Matima, your friend Chelsea. Arsenal against Manchester City. This is a game one. So Busamia, I think it's a Manchester City Esther near chance game we or Muntimin call and Koyen who's a Manchester City, you know. Not because of Bibiase. There is that single player where India each and every time no matter take care much my friend Manchester City. They are losing their 3 key players. You talk of John Stones, you talk of Kevin De Bruyne, but you talk of Abrantia, your friend Rodri. But one person, Pep, I can't watch him in the press conference, Abrantia friend Rodri. And so I had some Pep Guardiola, I can't Rodri home because all of them or Kaba said they are mixing out, but he did mention Rodri. That tells you say Ajuma Rodri Bayano and so it Kevin Yen that's no. We are not here to complain. The players who are out want to come back and be ready. Injuries and suspensions happen. Rodri is difficult to replace, but we will look for solutions for the benefit of the team. Social Rodri since 2019-2020. Now Uramu Manchester City team name and then the kind of Nema so when the statistics near the Toswa. In game that is not being available for Manchester City, no, say these are the games I wabo. Any games I wabo. For 144 games I wabo, Manchester City could 107 wins. 15 games, and now or make say through injury, through suspension. Manchester City are losing 9. Manchester City are winning 9, and I'm losing 5, as compared to 107 wins and 19 losses. So in that game, more goals to Manchester City no, Ojinamua 0.8. So Onimua 1.1. Points per game, Ojinamua 2.4. Onimua 1.9. So it tells you how important and how integral he is to Manchester City team no. And so Pep Guardiola, he's one person now. The defensive methods no a key to the success by Yobekobia. The first time Otima defended Barcelona no, he introduced Sergio Busquets and we saw what he did with Sergio Busquets. Eventually Sergio Busquets became talk of town. When you talk of defensive duties, a defensive method now becomes Sergio Busquets as him. Or call team defender Bayern Munich. We saw him more there a bunch of defender Philippe Lam. Somebody are not a right fullback. He brought him to the midfield and we saw new man Philippe Lam and so eventually he said say one of the intelligent players are what my coach a bunch of Philippe Lam. So it tells you he came into Manchester City fold and he had Fernandinho. No more Fernandinho times are not Fernandinho when you want you your man now 2 Manchester City teams no. Now are we placing here with Rodri and now Rodri is missing out.
That's it.
And so had the way no man see kwa. The last 2 games are there. What about Rodri? You know, he lost to Newcastle and lost to Wolves.
Yeah.
In the Champions League, he was present. We saw the performance, and now they are playing against Arsenal. This season, game tomorrow Emirates, you know, Oman Sheikh cry 2 goals in all competitions. Emirates, Oman Sheikh cry 2 goals. I expect Arsenal to win over Manchester City.
Mate, Ricardo, Everfina, ya baba bidinko. Amamenko, Miki wana menene to us. Na momaka, 021st Kenix Zebra, na yemwa na jana so pa siatika, mone espete wum siatika na ze watranse. Otu asintine chichwa, eromo sisi echu baby, eromo shechu, one way debi no oba bibubu, obubu abeda ku ijuma mane nyesa. Romo 21st Kenix ne na yemwa no mo nyaiwa no from tisu babesi unase no, ye brani timi aso anu to stroke diabetes in the Reneboa or mobile modern laboratory services and scan services no a rum de more masu said a bear ye be do so do near baby no and switch any aso weekend be after jumano tofa na ye more modern special massager a bonsi she yipa 8 me the man here the machine treatment no so no 8 me account na machine no your baku be do 9 susa na e bon na ni musa be wi no on se mujano e di efusane more than 15 branches Ghana bibia or mu ye juma kumasi ayo overseas junction omo na free radio obo ase council quarters obo modena core junction we nyomo akra do me market omu ye adwuma sunyane nkranza any teach man onyina nyobenyo omo 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 ni omu ni nkomo na yemwa na ne mandeda yeso no entimi emfama ya share yen link no yen zoom link no to kwa some passport official zera mekano exactly 1050 meba na wabomodi abeka wasem on zoom to kwa some passport official ya share e pini dia to no ne dikan te exactly 1050 wabam na so no waba be charge mi ya kwaba
abu mejo so na
bibia aboko de
yakopadu mi
e no be he Pogba issue no kakra ma na asem no migi Pogba dem pa na ne ko after so ni anu nsem no uni abo na ba form cram plus ama we so adobu ramu kakra ma me
ni nua ne ka asem bi fa ho se ye hu Pogba te said your tie no e won hu sunsanso to fall out with family and in that form and you only need obi or strong spirited to bounce back from such a setbacks in the way nti you better remember last week Thursday Thursday we game be so Andorra
okay
Spain Division 2 and La Liga 2 Andorra for ne Real Zaragoza ne boy Zaragoza a team na popular pa in the 2000s mid 2000 near board Deportivo La Coruña and Real Zaragoza near body ni wa hapa
tabana yi anda here amona but ya omo player bi akwano na di odibuga pa
so the tiene say si any team na si ni trase kakra omo ko relegation omo La Liga 2 but omo pim so bia so mbeba bounce back and oshe table no omo to so mienu omo ewo 1 point fewer than teamer or no Edasro and team no Edasro no basically another team also looking to qualify so Obeba PM or the Spanish top flight Espanyol with 20 points Zaragoza with 19 points now Koshe Andorra by a goal to 0 this is the game but the highlight of the game no akwa ball boy be no to nchen and away fans no more supporting Real Zaragoza into mujina ball boy ne chipe no more ye omudede but dead anyway no more ye ni na no how a ball boy ne responded to no Emma they fell in love with the ball boy this was during the first half into game ne call half time no ye say jama no mo shini na no and no be diverted the ball boy so into mo free ball boy ne buy and on bisa say friend so ne say o say friend Rubin no bisa say ofri hin no so e krom ha Andorra ha no te by your name, Mamino, our minor, and a papa so Monto. Minor and Monto, no, 2 municipalities in the province of Zaragoza. There's a Oyefia, now going to the Rena Baby Pia, and a side of Moya say almost was Sijama, Eddie Amano. And it was a highlight of the game because Zaragoza co we need game ni nano, or be make this video no well known to the fans. Ye ko Andorra couldn't kunim no. There was also a local econo or ya. Inti ya say or adopted fan of the club minim obetimi amanya fa sound ne kakra bo so mo she jama Rubin yenti kakra
what's up here? Ruben, or my friend about Mode Haragusa scarf, no, or Mode Abone, Kama or Mujio. And so the boy felt also out by the situation. Omuye an interview as a unforgettable moment. This will live forever with him. Say, Obeka said that should be maybe a trim, real Haragusa Nebaya, Omubano Mobabeshe and Monyam, and then they also paid tribute to Ono as a young boy. Was a boy is near 2 but specifically Ruben no Anna Omutimi yes I didn't the manner very encouraging. Pogba issue, no, this is how it is. Luther Church's story in him. So we fail a doping tester. Aya omofa o sample na. Omuchemu mienu. Ye was sample A, sample B. Sample A ne no omudi nkan testing ne menimi ya no. Na omo the results ne de atudwa. Se oni omo nyadwen they keep the sample B safe. Omo keep no ewo omo medical facility. So in Italy say you know. Ombe no omo keep sample B no the Italy Sports Medical Federation. And if you request for a counter analysis and there's a sample in the test near the buy, so when you're the counter analysis will mean it was almost tested sample B. Now or compare the two no. Say baku bra na baku there say everyone say sample A tested negative, sample B tested positive. It means a contradictory.
Okay.
It's a more case near the kakra. Say sample B tested positive, na sample A also tested positive. It means what's happening here the kakra. Into no friend counter analysis. Send your beya omobe compare two samples no, ne test the beya available no man who the ombe. And to you know the Italian Sports Medical Federation here says Sadia. Say Pogba si on tene ho asia. Oh ba, for medical experts bra. Never were lawyers and so can so Pogba yes no. And omoko the aqua acetosa clinic and no room. Anna omoko koye the test on the sample B na omo FI no. Omo ye no produce the same results as the sample A. Neza ni na no. Pogba tested positive for testosterone enye natural. Idea one bema what is testosterone? Idea you produce. Bema wo hui pa. Bema oye muscular owa hoden. Testosterone na push side na manaba. And man de na estrogen. Now this is the difference. Say o estrogen levels no was throw as oba. And ma oye more feminine. Say testosterone level wo ba mu no eba be bro the estrogen is wa. Na oba no enya masculine features.
Oh, okay.
Intina Casper semenya
de no.
Casper semenya de. Omoye say then I was say offer indra ebe inhibite ne testosterone levels ni because testosterone na mana ho den a CCA no e mo tumi communicate no man e bro
ma normal we no so.
So normally for everybody o was ade ni be a produce be ma so say estrogen levels ne bro testosterone so a ye won so bebe one don't mean fire won pem.
Oh, no, za kofu na ombe kujubisi ana.
Good.
Ona wuzo na mwana. Okay.
And then we are no unya ne bebre sa. It mostly more facial hair, more body hair no. I have no more testosterone levels no so.
Akomi amu di
put me fire so one pempa.
Akomi amu type no.
Yes, because you need it.
Oh, okay.
Good. Now say unya it enhances performance and me kan no. Ye wo nra wo fa a boost testosterone ye wo enuane a wodi a boost testosterone Pogba de no mo hu ye no enya the natural testosterone na body ni produce rather ade ye induced by an intake of a drug edro bi a wanom.
Oh, okay.
Ana bibia why pani ana said ye ana amano sa testosterone levels so nti na mo hu say then they will need to look into it sa no doping meaning wafa an enhancer to increase performance ebi ade no kra no so omo bra per omo allowed less ne omo disallowed less and that is the situation of Paul Pogba and the abudi akwa say now there will be investigations. Let's look at the likely sanctions no he could go for 4 years.
4 years.
Yep. So omo say voluntarily of asade na say or they increasing the performance and no induce performance 4 years straight and here the voluntary involuntary nature say onim but offer drobi anodi aduane bi anodi product bi but no nim say contained in the product no sa ade na emra no entre say was offer enti say what happen now so even na two koloture ne Andrew Nana good and on you be reduce the about 2 years And you have the other option of a plea bargain. Plea bargain is oh, I dare na me amejitum say me differ. But more dear, tamper justice with mercy. Into Monteso kakran famame. Plea bargain no, the prosecutor can initiate. Say yeah, have a sentence no. A cost running 50%, half.
Oh, okay.
And say 4 years or 2 years. 2 years or 1 year. That is for the plea bargain. And this a bro 50%. That is the arrangement. And a choir new man is here. So they will start investigations. There were 2 cases here. Now the legal clash no will be between the National Anti-Doping Tribunal no and a so Paul Pogba. The prosecutor no what the Anti-Doping Tribunal no friend of Pier Filippo Laviani. Pier Filippo Laviani no so in the picture neto so or your opinion dodo na jidisa or your no nonsense.
Kovunu is on CBM on Pinsim.
Wasemba making sure say he will deal with you as it is. Now, in dealing with you, no, he will look at the evidence available and then prosecute you to the letter. Onjai, on leave anything to chance. So, omobe investigate Paul Pogba. After na Pogba ko na okwa obe submitting a statement of defense. Okay, ya tested sample A, ya tested sample B. Ye who say Pogba say na TNT. There na wo can ya found. Oh, me any say into mo de mon fan chair. That is a plea bargain. And na say na me nim na me fire. So Pogba will have to submit a statement of defense, which is 1. The second one is a Pogba craft don't fast statement of defense name call. Onwankasa will submit himself for questioning. Into Odbenehoba, no maybe say beside questions. Nanu ye no. And on bejina so the any statement, no. And so the amano. So there are 2 things. It has all been man lawyers no are prepare on one personal statement of defense, or he will submit himself for questioning, na oma prosecutor no me who obey. There is a slim chance. See a baby, no, you be Pogba manako.
And
a slim chance, bare 0.01%.
Wow.
It could be said he could be left to go. Game no one bobby. And then in the subsequent games, you know, so Oman testing who say Obebobi, no, there was still that thing in his blood. So there is a slim chance on Bejano, although say he's tested positive, but a very, very slim. And then the chance of him being banned, and they are very, very high. But the duration on him, this adds up to the castle Paul Pogba. A curious case. Case Nina saying. There's a young boy who had immense talent.
Yes.
Now we ask him himself Pogba born or be born and can they call more magic ballon d'or ni be uncle count. And can they come best midfielders in the game one. So about Kevin De Bruyne idea was Anka Paul Pogba Batown. But he's nowhere among such discussions because it could be career choices. He left Manchester United, went to Juventus. Italy proved a very fertile grounds for him. So on accelerating a career and on Kosro. Then they moved back to United. Personally, I have my own reservations. Mijidi say, and you move a boy and a career ni bebreza. Pogba joining Manchester United gained much more prominence. Ye bonidi ye diobeye. But the career na ankasa no e kan sinsemu entimi anko nenim.
Osan ba Man United no.
Yes.
Unzo ho na mboa.
E kan sinsemu. And then the straw, the last one, a break hit the camel's back. The fallout between Ononi and Ebusunyafo. You see, your family is your backbone.
I don't know me kiri mami. E ba ne san susan so be ninya. Be all last time na me hwe Al Jazeera na CNN.
Al Jazeera.
On your more interview.
Yeah, interview.
Me bomb ni na misu. Oze e do baby cry na nka so oyunya ni cry. Enkope chenze
people will love him for who he is.
Yes.
Now this is the situation. Pogba na ye nim no. He is basically a nobody without football and with his influence and his rise. Into we football if man konyobia. Or no chemu say he will love people to love him for who he is. Not the waba be so a star. So about France, so about Manchester United, Yendru relax. So about Manchester United, why you say they be. He prefers people to love him for his identity as an individual, a person. Sadia Nemba. Now the fallout with the family here. The love of money is the root of all evil.
Yeah.
Good. Sikaneba in Semno. Family will want their share. Because they think Oma contribute to baby awa Juno. And it's true. Pogba nebusunya phone na ninu anamne mame. Omo boy pa. Basika any breno, it will lead family to do certain things against your uncle for bebra. Sabi omo kwa broche kobre. omo be te omo mawre ma ye adwuma nyeska omo de sika ne be fie yamfanye say the ebusian forces ano. People fall out with family all the time because of money. Pogba fell out with his family because of money. But there are certain family secrets so say ebia nyoma bi omo ye ma mpa be bi omo ye ma moje bi omo twa guma ana eye ense bi omo guma no. If you fall out with them, now they will reverse it.
Now bread.
Exactly.
Now bread. Jawa no go.
No do ba.
Be bread.
Good.
Also obon prema na edu baby na na yes obesa dan echi.
Exactly. And ninu ne kan. Ninu ne confessions no man. O se Pogba na mo ko hwan ho. Obi oye duro ho juju ho. A voodoo expert enuro. Enuro no mo ye ninu ne kan aka so mo ye bi ti aklia ne Mbappe. Pogba be deny. But he did not deny said they went to a voodoo person. And to wunu ya wone na ko obi oye duro ho. Se ombo ama carry an kosro no. Wunu ya ne se wone na fall out ontimi nko obi oye duro ho se oma carry an mra form.
Obesa akwa lo se baby o chichire to su no nsane.
Exactly.
No man bre.
Exactly. Inti, let's be very careful in our dealings with family and people very close to us. Especially obi owo secret.
Yes.
So woni ni person san ya hwe
Be careful pa.
Ana meme yan masike ni bre enso man be di enim. Because it could end relationships, it could break certain bonds which are so strong. And then I'm Pogba could do and it's a very sad story. Correo dello Sport, the Alberto just said, Mourinho can't game back up where we know Messakeno. I said, damn, fight in the AS room, I own no. And no matro, Pronti a Caccialo. Now Mourinho, dear, now matro clamoroso. Roma for no cohun newspaper way headline now. A pusu or more marcus, almost a yellow gray. Yeah, almost they have never dreamt of sacking Mourinho. But there is no smoke without fire. And in this football game, Sanyo Manyoma will be atiabre. What is the story? The story is Roma have had a very bad start to the season. And a season wasting on Modi Kukuda Mabe team Nimupa. So they think they need to deliver more. Eba e won in Chiremu. Mourinho na Ankasano. Omeyesha Mourinho and in the career. He looks like he's not one for the long term.
Or no, they never for short term. No, I
guess he said that they never for short term. When Mourinho was winning, winning with Porto, and he was hot. Not Chelsea, Abefa. When he left Chelsea, he was hot. Inter, Abefa. When he left Inter, bam, Madrid, a trainer. Free Madrid, and now bam, Chelsea, Bion. Chelsea, Manchester United. But Mourinho Tiba from he has been sacked. Man, you Sakeno. Spurs almost Sakeno and a Roma de Yaba. But the trait in say he is somebody or a short termist. On one casa personally, no. The success frame and the rate and the time frame, no. Within 2 years, 3 years. So or the Mourinho and then the career way ne toswa. Obe a club be a wako biano. Mourinho anko ambro 3 years. Obet me my Mourinho career way, no. Then it will help the discussion. The next picture rather. The discussion is Mourinho he will go to Benfica. Benfica in 2000, just a year, he joined União de Leiria. No free hoba Porto. Porto 2002 to 2004. Chelsea 2004 2007. Inter Milan 2008 2010. That time no you're hot into no BEP. Madrid 2010 2013. Then Chelsea second stint 2013 2015. Ehona Oshate Teba from no. Then Manchester United 2016 2018. Tottenham Hotspur 2019 2021. AS Roma 2021. You were 2023. Within that same time frame, and there's a discussion about sacking Mourinho. It is because Roma's project, Mourinho there, but they are also looking at the long term. They are American investors, among businessmen. Or yes, Obenya a sporting project are steady, they are winning. So they are looking at the medium term, long term. 5 years, 10 years. Is Mourinho that manager? The evidence ne go on, the history. He is not. So what I say a Cagliari game na kabako, and I say games be waka. Ye nim say Mourinho ni Romano. I don't think a better 2024-2025.
Mate, fantastic. My guys, I bought you know. Now, say again, I share Zoom link and some passport official call. Yeah, Twitter and we are pinning it out to exactly 10:50. Meba, Mami Ramon nature made it so much. I'll pay guys here na banana in Ninko. Obe ya kwaba. na bibi aboko de
onyankopon na dom bibi bia kama
na zundupa no yeguso no ma
yeguso ai bo dawuro
na yenwewram kakra
yo me da se ye pa menua amefa enchia kese emfri nature medics asoye emre obi biara wo hwe sa bre ni wona etie nyina me ba cho yo obi a wota no painkillers pa me so so bitie ene dwumadia ye die gasto mixture ye funu yade aduro gasto mixture so wo yafunu nko ana eye wo yade a me kan fo gasto mixture e di amount so wo yafunu emu wo a nom gasto mixture so wo yafunu no emu hyehye a nom aduro efe ne se gasto mixture so wo yafunu no emu dwawo unya gasto mixture na wo nom ebe boa wo yie pa wo bu on ma wo se ekom demia na me yafunu no eye me ya nom aduro efe ne se gasto mixture so wo nso so aduane to ye ma na yafunu no wote yawo nom gasto mixture so wo dia no akwakoye se wo ye kom de wo wadidi o wo yafunu no eye wo ya nom aduro efe ne se gasto mixture na emwanyi sa wo hawo no emfam firi o ema edini ya GASTO gasto mixture se aduane a wadie no ya na ejina wo yam sa aduane ne digested that ye friend say indigestion no emanframa ba begina wo yafunu mu yie pa na wo yafunu ay kapu yafunu ay dendenden nom aduro efe ne se gasto mixture na emwa enyi sa wo hawe emfam firi wo emfam ma sa ya na obo na funu wo utie mesabre wo hwe mesabre wo bo na funu obo funu wa na agya wo fie nom gasto mixture na enyi sa wo hawo no emfam firi wo emfam ma gasto mixture yafunu yade aduro mapa and sa wo hwe sa abre na sa yafunu nko na etete yafunu ye wo ya sa wo yamu empo na ehwie na wo nya aduro efe sa gasto mixture ibi na wo no ma sa wo hawo no ebe free wo so akọ ama ho ato gasto mixture no waje so eye wo yafunu yade aduro mapa sa wo hwe sa abre ya na sa wakwa yare sabia ya akọ ye ulcer test ya yo H pylori stool test ya di eye pipe bia fa minim ahwe yafunu ahu se ulcer ene wo yafunu no emu ulcer ewa wo nsuno mu ulcer ewa wo esophagus no mu ulcer ewa wo duodenum mu nom adura efe ne se gasto mixture na emmoa na yenhwe ni yese ulcer yafunu mu kuro wo yafunu mu anasa wo nsuno mu na ekuro ababetom ene efe ne se ulcer se beto eye pipe na aduane fam koto yafunu mu efe ne se esophageal ulcer gasto mixture ebeboa esophageal ulcer efriwo edi amount se ekuro na ba beto yafunu mu director ye fa na se gastric ulcer wonum gasto mixture edro ya ebeboa yisa wo ha no de afri ho se ekuro no aba beto eye wonsunu mu ba bia etoa yafunu so pe na ye fa ne duodenal ulcer nom gasto mixture wonum adro no ebeboa yisa wo ha no de afri ho no amount na enioma ben ene kokofa ulcer no eba se de be ya wo a wo yenya bi no so be ya hwe yie enioma miensa na medical aboso amobibia ahye no nso ne edi nkan eye H pylori yare boa no sa yare boa wo no de ba bia efini ahonidie wo fam bia sa yare boa no ediwo ntintiman yie pa eno nti kwa aman ahodo a eye ahonidie ekosoro yie pa na sa yare boa we no anasa sa yare ulcer we no a H pylori na de eba no e wo fam yie pa enu nte wose yehye no so H pylori yare boa no ensu a ye no ma ho nte aduane a ye die a ho nte efini ade gatamu mu achogchog sa no ma no edi akoten wo ye mantamu a sa yare boa we die obonso wa betena wo nsu no ma wa betena ye funu no mu enu nte ye nhye no so say ulcer no say H pylori yare boa na de abakura na anom gasto mixture na emmoa wo enyi sa yare boa no emfam firi ho no mo ye nte ase say oyafunu acid e wo ho no eboa ma yare aboa bi entimi entena yafunu no mu acid ne ekono na sa yare aboa we fe H pylori wono wa device mechanism bi a wode tena oyafunu no mu wo make sure say opeke no ma be fi wo nipadua no mu o moja no mu no ode aye defensive shield afa no say de be ya acid ne entimi enkunu da no hye yafunu no odi udwuma no ama yafunu mu ye wo ja no ama yafunu mu kaw wo yafunu udidi a wo yafunu ye wo ya sa wonya adura efense gasto mixture bi na wono nom gasto mixture na ebekum yare ebo na firi hono mo na to so me ne ba bedrum pempe so be ma ekuo na ba beto yafunu e ba bewu afiri ho na afi ho ato afi de anyway ni na ato abetwa na ho ato kama gasto mixture eye wo yafunu yade aduro mapa ne atoso bi me kokofa ye funu mu kuro yi e de ba a etete Ghana fo bebre no eye painkillers ahodo Ghana fo bi painkillers no mu ye pa wo bi wo hono mu a da bia da wonom painkiller da bia da wonom painkiller ono ne de ne se kese wonya akọ adwuma banko ade a e wo se wonya painkiller bi no eden wonom se sana wo story ne etia e ba kodum pempen so bi a ye funu mu kuro ne ba beja wo nemo make catch or say ye funu mu kuro ne di kan abadada because of painkiller na edro ba akọ ne ye kan for the amount ye fe ne gasto mixture wo ye funu ya de edro mapa enono nom gasto mixture na ye funu ya de emfiri wo so enko edro yi sa wo pen dodo atu a number wo screen so betimi afre obesan so etimi afre number 0248 77 88 99 0248 77 88 99 meso obesan so etimi akọ Israel ba heba a wo ensawam Israel ba heba ena my joy heba a wo takwa obetimi akwa nya adredodo atu ho obetimi asanso akonya na maako baako ato ho Gibson heba e wo kade cap heba e wo sunwane Tribe of Judah e wo kaso smart heba e wo oboase okwa obetimi anya enoni bi ato e wo chemical shop pharmacy shop anase ba bi eton adro heba adro bia no ubenya gasto mixture yi bi ato say wo yafunu nko na etete wo dia adro ba ko na me kan for the amount ye fa ne gasto mixture so your ba na wo hwe sabre na wo tie sabre ya Mensoplax mixture e wo sa wo man ye adro ada bia abre bia wonom e be boa wo yie pa e ma no e ya na obi wo honom ensa bomu how etete no wo bu ne nsa na bosome ne enso no osanso abu ne nsa biem ye fan intermenstrual bleeding so unya gasto mixture unya Mensoplax mixture sorry unya Mensoplax mixture bi na wono no ma be boa ayi sa wo how no e de afri wo the amount so wo bu nsa na se pains e wo mu obu nsa yaw e wo mu hwehwe adura fa ne se Mensoplax mixture bi na nonom na emmo a enyi sa wo how no emfa fri wo amount so wo sabe oba aya na enso fitamfita be egu ahemfie honom aye bibia wo honom no madura fa ne se Mensoplax na emmo enyi sa wo how no emfa fri wo obu onma wo bu ne nsa eba entoa abo apapo obu no obu ne nsa aba apapo enka krampo sanso edi achi wonya Mensoplax bi na wono numa ebeboa ayisa wo ha na firi hono na tenie wona wo bu onsa na emoja ne baketoa bi da krope na atwa ema bi ma je se next cycle day ansa na wasanso ahunu moja ani mo no obu nsa na moja ne baketoa bi anya de ebeboa wo no madura fense Mensoplax mixture na entimi emmoa enyi wo ha obi a babetena wa wodie ni mo esanse Mensoplax de eye wa wodie ni mo adwuma no na eye sabi wo ba wa himfie ni mo nso so adwuma e de ama wo enu nti se enke kaye ene wo so ensuo fitamfita bi ne ya na egugu wo wonya Mensoplax bi na ono no mo ebeboa wo yie pa sabi oya na waso enka efri ho ba ade e wose e hye ne nso ne se oba bia ade bia ebeye sabi wo ba wa himfie ho no sa wampa mmua ani ho dwuma ebedrum pempenso bi no na ekwa awodie ni mu na ekwa akosi awo no ho kwan the senti ne yeka se wo ba entena ho no mo emma sa wo hawi enidi emfiri awodie ni mu enkonkodu sabi ba bia eba akosi awo ho kwan ede ama wo enu ntu wonya Mensoplax bi na wo no mu a onsa buo mu haw biara no eba be yi afiri ho no mo wo bu okrompo asabio wono a wonyem wono a wonye family planning wono so a wontwa abrana so wontimi emu ne nsa me kanfo Mensoplax e de amawo Mensoplax mixture eye wa wodie mu adwuma no na sabi wo ba wa hemfie ni mu so esiesie wo kama e de amawo eni nti hye ne nso se wokọ adwa so a wo yafunu yade adro mapa eye gasto mixture sa wokọ adwa so a wo yafunu yade adro mapa adura eboa atu yafunu yade ase afri ho eye gasto mixture sa wokọ adwa so a adro a eboa ayi afichikom how ade afri won eye Mensoplax mixture meso so be san so afa number ibiem wɔn a ɛhwɛ tv no bɛtumi afa number ɛwɔ screen no so no na wafrɛ yɛn wɔn mo nso a ɛtie fa radio so no bɛtumi afrɛ number 0248 77 88 99 0248 77 88 99 ɛno ne number ɛtwa sɛ wofrɛ na wonya ɛyɛ mensoplax ɛyɛ afichikom ha ho aduro no na wonya aduro ɛfɛ no sɛ gasto mixture na wonom na ɛboa esiesie wo yafun mu esiesie wo nsun mu sɛ wo yam mpo na ehwie na wonya gasto yi bi na wonom a wato adi sɛ yɛ afichikom ha nso so a hwɛ aduro ɛfɛ no sɛ mensoplax.
But as you're praying your message, yeah, that's a na ya ramana, ya pomodina, the akibia rametimi, the amount in Chemeba, now a bon zoom, now a baby din como, and tubitimia some passport official, or call your terra handoa, ya bomodi etimi ashe, yen link, you know, our honoman, Nino, Obamodina, will run about the county. I mean, Kikamesi is in a cacra, Nana Bajida Costa, I love watching some passport, na co GH, Abu no the love imogine ram, na co Bidis and Emma, Koye Maestro GH. You live from our Maestro iPhones Kintampo and Odiram Tairu Mohammed Ibrahim working Moro second season at all clubs are the best near the Onon Babi Ramon and so Ewahanom Nafi Godman Manaman. Good morning, Abu. Please tell Ten Hag and his players that they can't afford to lose today's EPL match against Brentford. Glory Man United, and I'm watching the show live from the Mine Crow. Starboy watching the show live and clear out from Bim Airport, some past FM Sport. Those sides, Real Madrid is winning today against Osasuna. Greetings to Alan Spark, Kwejo Space, Oyibo Boateng, and my big boss, C. Taylor of Trinity Airframe, Nodeba, Ebabiramu, Gustav Tete. Good morning, I'm watching live inside of Saman Kese. Some passport, no side. Please, I need some WhatsApp number. And I remember my Crespo from Fufo. I wish Mediama AC and Dreams FC the best of luck. They will surely progress from their respective groups. Good morning, watching the show live at Bokrum Junction. I'm on the Boatin Asai Maswell. Nidian also see a Bracomia, Ade Bracomia Yedin, and I'm on the cook kerosene watching live from Akokwa Monakra. Heart of Oak players should not fail us tomorrow. Hi to my daughter, and Warfare Patricia, Dr. Danny Macro Junction. The best sports show is live and clear inside of Danny Ventures Macro Junction with the big speakers. Yeah, that's said it more. Sorry, George Yao Sempe. I'm watching live from a great Cabra, so Mr. Side Construction Fight. Your program is very educative. Keep the fire burning and fantastic sport. Greetings to Zegidi Bogidi from a great Cabra, so Saturday Sport Papa. And I'm on the Menisco GH. Please rise at Apokumre so Beteneka. Drew Mining, some passport notify emojis, you know. Aram Ishak Kwame, Clint Jr. They have baptized the boy into the team. Urate and Ignatius Alexis Sanchez, Man United all the way straight win. And I'm on the knee. Alo Bila Patrick, happy birthday to my lovely trains, Louisa and Luciana from Alaye Chinese restaurant to Suno de Bababi Ramo. Ewana Bazakari, good morning to you all for the best sports station. Keep it up. And after Mauza Jerick, so please can you give us a question? Yabomo dear Toto so I didn't Yabenia send the room now so on say to me a casta Bena yet me and a Sakama pa et me DJ Rock Master DJ Love. We are watching live. Keep up the good work. Davinson Luis or the fire emojis in about Baby Ramna Croquet Junior Tiero. Nidiano watching live with the best DC in Ghana. Dancia Crew from DC Honorable Morris Jonas Wood. Boatin Asai Maswell Sompa. You never walk alone. Nana Mankwa. Watch you live from Jaso Boatin Asai Maswell. Good in online. Emmanuel Boadi Manu Kopama. Give me other vibes. You are te and a sap on praise. You guys are champions. And my own Dr. Danny once again me here men come on him Awa Hashmiu. Watch you live from Asinfo. Please update us on Barcelona. Yarura wait me at my Lordy Memphis. Happy birthday to me. The Memphis special one Ramon and to me and Famana Frederick Mauyo Domeko Nidia Nozi. Oh Masa Odo be you are near the also about me joining and waba now Wabomodina wait me Ramutukwa. Niama dedi the man near the o me azi ayede BBS ya na
Yes. We are trying to find another means for your listeners to come in.
When I enya ya na.
Aye. So if they can come through WhatsApp video call, they will pick you there.
Na ye de what tomorrow. The number be ready ana.
Inti mic mo ye ho adwuma. Etu sisi a ebe.
Na ye call.
Aye.
Mate why?
What I say?
Oh, what I say? What I say? Dimo fache mo ana mo rezo be run every ba community no enche be ba na ya ba be run game park limited semen controls and the game park pick one no aba na ano edem pa ni na ze mal number no from 1 to 36 where you now favorite number wet me apeke o akwanya so betwa from 1 Ghana cedi kokukusi 350 Ghana cedi ni the obetwe be times 26 at the mountain no pick one no emu edem pa game park for and the aba bazia ebo amane madadi pray me about to wait me ramo www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com na boana hihye no akoye pay me area mana ukita phone network bia use bia no star 946 star 946 wa ramo na wa bomode no watwa akọ ni mwenye du mfie du wotwe a o qualify say unya nu mfie du wotwe a emfa won him na enele adwoma tumti dwuma de bia omudi bia no ye boa mane makoye paramountine no o pemula Jete Kasha a game park games no and also do ram near hena ya buana ne madida ye kama so no etimiera ma drinks ni emienu eno ane no no ma na ma ya hoden sonko ne ya baba betrase ya yejuma no baako eye mixer 5G na mixer 5G no habamba ni ndiaba nyabo mode etimiera aye cafe sembi enim emu ede unya bi na boa unse hye papa be sa mo ahoden sonko pa ya Ghana oma adwena de benya ne grapes no ebo mode ye niam no ewere hu adwuma na jense no eyi ntini meboa ma utimi gia wo na so ene wo greety so na ne shade na boa ma body shape no oye ni ye papa no ye mixer 5G no miso fruit drink organic fruit so emu api onye bi na boa unsampa emu ede ye papa di ne fara mai na o shop bi a wa bomode na ya bro bi ko no na ba Xmas no ya bomode na di na ne ma ada yeso no etimi ede ama 0246 27022 0246 27022 0558 1063480 0558 mo amwo call for idiano munra mo kweko check company limited Eastern region amunjibi onom 0243 329414 0243 329414 na care of Kinju Enterprise uramu ewo swame ha eno motel ho okorwa kwa kojibi 0544 483 392 0544 483 manager Daniel ewa overseas and office no urwani HMA na 21st kino ko OGB Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Bwakwa obeya bi PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station Opsi Charity Hospital no beji na Sachi Enterprise no Asafo Abinchi Opsi VIP car park no obo modern wajibi ono na aboa na ne makoye pa etimiera ma Trinity of Arc Limited Company eno ye network anko a akwenya ba nyaba beda de amanse roko Canada UK wakwa koye djuma jiska bebre na de mom nkomo ne edenie okwa bibi abeda okwa kosua ade no ho ka ne ade ni nyina no maboa ere nhihye na hye pa etimi edi amount ne oye doctor nurse midwife lab technician akwenya na ba netimi edi ama Canada and afi bibi etisa America North and South Europe no yama kokosua ade a eboa man totu no koye pa etimi edi emana se bono ze oye footballer bia ye boa na di sports visa etimi era mana hyehyɛ no akoye pere ama factory workers no enye no nko se ne oye farmer oye tyler oye carpenter oye plumber na driver yero kwa kuram amono ne wabo adwuma na ne makoye de ama unisa no dwuma kra odi ram ne ehwe na hyehyɛ no yenye ne kama pen farmer Canada US UK Shingin State no Trinity of Arc Limited Company ero kwa kura kuma so pomo a adoa to masala chuo be na Brepo Junction kaso a New Market Road no Fidelity Bank abanso no first floor mo bo adwuma number no 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 no room na ne makoye dia ma komia bomoden etimi ericos no etimi ere ama wanye dumfie dun wotwe a www.betway.com.gh www betway.com.gh where Ramona Bois na nema de dimpa netimi edi amano mon komono de emane ye deni ene o masa na hihye for kraba esma seba e wo so onye sika bebre ntu no ko a obetimi ro Google Play Store wa download o mo app no obo mo de ram official site wa obetimi download the app no mo mo de e de betway golden code promo naba e simple kra eno anu so use the golden booking code no e de aye adwuma ram baby a ya twa 100% back okeke so a obonse code ne da ho enyi bi fi memfa bi nkan ho utwa 1 Ghana de call 50 Ghana na ediwa ya bomode na ya hwe na usika no ya timi return wa de timi ra ma betway nko a e na bomode na timi nya san hyehyɛ no na aboama ne ma de da di so etimi ra manti betway bet your way na ne ma nya de da yi so no entimi emfa ma kama na hyehyɛ no enko yi so no entimi emfa ma kasa na Seba Industries se nebra na ye per quality herbal product a ye ne Seba Industries na dia ababa bebazi a eboa man hyehyɛ no koyi so no etimi edema na munkomo no ense ne tieri ines ointment na ba wo ye baby girl na stretch marks na body na boso a ya na ne ha adwen kakra oba na be ma pimples ne se wani ma ya na ha adwen kakra wayi wa bodwe se wayi tinubo sense wanso wa bi aba be gu no so no e ha adwen kakra se ne neema de da dina se wona ni kakra entotua na de da dini we azi ade mi zoom ne de dam ti no mombre na so betimi adwen no kwa Sompa Sport Official ewe Twitter handle obo modie kwa na jese waba na waba bi ramu urama na waba be kan wasem na fuko na foforo so no etimi abanti Sompa Sport Official we Twitter handle na we ramu zoom no na waba be kan wasem mo fanche e sha se no emeze na endida mbere si ade bibia tuton kama pa Sompa Sport Official okwa abunzi ya pini de atokane entu rama pe no ne da kane na waram na waba na nso no wabomode etimi aba be kan de na aboa amane ma de da din pe de amantiara sentiment se na me di wa dance no ene bre na ebeboa ma me kona me ne agiaba en chance on zoom na yentu azo agiaba na umpombo ko de Orame he niama tutu me robo modena yetimi yakona yakwa feji abana said America no NS ointment ne also nye bi na abo modena ntama propro niama nkoyo dware honam yo ya en afro utiwi no ema no ya na ho awase a ematiwi no emuni yi nkanka unye bi na de frebre na yiri fi obema utiwi mfo a wo de ko na kokope NS ointment no na bi na etimi aboa mo ogia na so pa se white ne ha no oyo obaro pass awa wo de afa kakra netimi da fefa ase o de fa fo bonze bibi be ebe yi sa ha no nyina fio na aboa ama bibi so no etimi aye do mo na de awake natural capsules na ba eye de ma ye ma ene mema no nyina na nyina ene se so nya bi na agba eboa ma nkwabo no e ma na hoden sonko izanze ekra natural minerals bi ana nutrient bi a edamu sonko eboa ma na ma da yi so no etimi era mantin kwabo no benya hoden a e ya awake natural capsules no ene eboa ma na ma da din so era ma wa ye mre wo mpamu wana so fita bi fu ade ni mu ba zo prostate na ne ma nko yi ojonso a obre afi wa kono no aba form na oba bosome su bunsa na e kan dwendam yare no ehwe na yiri fi ne opinfo etimi num bi na afi so no obi o ma akwara no fo ntimi num bi na wanya enunya num fie dumi no so a untimi num ti form na ma no na kan ha na Seba Industries be na ya so ano de ama 0245 079 915 0245 079 915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 na yewura manti no awodwani nyanso echiemu ewo na chese pharmacy na herbal shop bia obomodena sa nupa no saka ti ba menko na meni agiaba nchase agiaba na bia bokọ de
abu nyame adu na mo so
omini ame wo ye tena me to nka chere me za afi so no obre pa
awu sa on say kwa abo me cause say unya with teams ni me no bi e sha on say na too much sweet na ye nya diabetes ti kwan bi so na ye enya hwe ye be fa de sa
ana no pe o de me fine ye ko United ana ye ko Heartfolk
abu ma men touch baby akakra say United no te hagen the oil no ono awadan no be for no oil no because the name of share last season is more or less ono our science we drew so we are hoping say I'll be finding the rhythm in them now we fixing them because there's no time in all honesty if by December na name could say yeah be hard end we always expect that this season he should just qualify for Champions League then next season now yeah sure if he can win any meaningful trophy and then back to out booking so Okone the heading because dreams for some time now back from high. But Copman only option be only any other option than to win. Yes, run. And the formation yeah two rigid kakra. Yes, run. On go near on can go more. Yeah, anything less than 3 goals. Yes, run. See, I will me do this here.
Matiaja mesa bana ya bomodena ye ya minimze edi ameno besen shiati ukwa some passport official ya bomode apini ere ato ye tere hand ona so waramu no aba etimi ababa be count mu asem na afi akwa ni barmo fanche zenne no ye shase no na nema enhye dan tutom se mo beba on zoom na ababa be ramu etimi edi amount mere de obese abana ya bomodena yetimi ato aso ti some passport official ere tere hand ona waramu kama pa na aboa na nhye no so no etimi adida ye kama so no etimi edi amana bibia enso etimi adida di manze Morrison adu say Nidia no you are too much Morrison the other baba be run on Richie Ba watch you live from Nottingham na manze eni no Eons Savage Chelsea all the way eni edi ono so no etimi edi eba baba be run ntimere na mafa bako mienu bi na ya pomode na ya hwe na ya rerema na ne ma etimi adadi nso no obetimi aba na ya pomode akọ mamene ima entwaso imana bibia boko de
abunyamya onso
amen so mo ya na ima kazavi
Newbury
okay ima ze on kike wo form kakra Chelsea ni na ama waye mresa na zedei
I mean one is a season in Chelsea and things have been tough. You hope he say wins na yenyano we can keep it on the run, but yeah, so we are hoping to they've done it better also. And I feel like it's just a matter of time. Team in the bed jelly, especially when we have all our players back from injury. They've been a very good side. Someone like Kopama, meaning person may exaggerate it, but I feel like the guy gives me this Ozil vibes. Once I send it slow, but the left foot touches or train with piano ball. I mean, I feel like it will come good. So it's just a matter of time. The team will gel. Yeah.
Mo here Kopama na muza asa Ozil bibi ni bi woni mu.
Oh, of course. What the should I guy no? What the should I
hello? Hello?
The left, no, and all that. So I mean, send it slow.
No, excuse me.
Abi mitio ima mitio kaza.
Hello. My friend is in the meeting room.
Oh. Ima. Oh, all right. Mesa kona mapo modena matimi akwa to aso. Mehena mafa ba kumienu bi na fi ewramu na aboa na hyehye no etimi adeda yi kama pa. Ti mehena metimi ewram na makwa didi nkoma na ayeya ti etuma mesaba Sompa Sport official oko ye terando wana jeze ya bomode etimi ahye link no na waba be kan wade ati mamini ima
yeah
na wa no guso
yeah men pesa me exaggerate men ka say me the network zero level but me say we share the movements ne passes like say they very sleek say they pin ball no or also onye so fast ujina ntenten no onye so pacey but then or very sleek and then the touches near very smooth and so I feel say the style and the touches near very similar to that of Ozil. And I make us a Chelsea no although say and Chelsea but I feel say if we have Reece James in Kunku Munina Eba and currently Kukurela Munina Air pick form like the team is getting confident and it's just a matter of time and we are sure that once we come back from the international break in the day so our teams now matches now must say tough and so ubia bejenede
Ima meda sepalo zo di adebae di so passport official call ye tirano ya bomode ahye zoom link no waba be ram now so no wetimi ababa be count de na aboa na niam adeda ye pretimi na mantimere se menya ba ku bi atwato a na madam ho akwede abane atiasi mu fie sanze na afisem ne won koma wodo na adi na ye didi nkoma na aboa mane madadi ti so passport official ye tirano okwa ya bomode epini ye zoom link no ato na room na wa ba be count the eti to ma pe mehwe na ma fa ba ku bi etwa to na ya hwe na yetimi apija yemu na say adan ho akwa etimi era ba na afisem no na ba be to so after no ye didi nkomo akra na ma hwe na ayeya na yetimi ewram ntino to ma pe mebo modern na masan ewram na ya boa na ntutu no etimi adadi ture ma me na me kwede ba pe na ma bo modern de akibia to so ama
wahese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye mechance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni ha okra yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua mechante bia or network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane mechire say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia obeya de say obedale *110# netua ka ko mechante bia ho e wo network bia so Nia
Vodafone Sompa Sports. Alright, ya momo de na yetimi ento aso na bibia ramu kama pa yetimi enfama ya kanze ne wo how bibia wo so run here na yetimi so ano de man ye New World Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services na I'll say it here Dr. Nimo Zidne Bra na bra be ramu na so na Dr. Nimo ejuma no ye no ano e din too much the amount no ye din ni o awudie mu ha na no ye be ma oba beduara na otedua no niam anshara de ye entimi enfama ni na no oro ani chemo Dr. Nimo New World Scientific Clinic or ya dog bear now with me aboa manema daddy da man say it here and obo modern vagina tight na me say no me de batwie be ha dwen kakra ni na zo your ba na nema no share and the ye bibia anku your bear no aboa na infio no watwa you po bibi ayede and afi so no na chese acheche na ntoto na koyi etimi edi ama wudie mu ha no obrene no so aboa na ye mema no wadene da fom kija entimi sorry okosi na nimba komienu na oda ya ni nyina no ya dia dog bear na wetimi aboa fibroid sensem na nam yare no orebo modi etimi etu ase na mema so no oboa ma ya de no kra no eye kese transition from wiser to beam nation no na bibia de de amanya no kono ye kidney disease liver disease hepatitis no typhoid cancer one sensem stroke diabetes and no mpe no kra no o ha wo mo bere na aboa na we etimi de fi o nso ye obi o ha as e twa yare na ha ne kakra na ni ye ya na afi ni sisi o kasa ya na pampan bi wo numa enye kra ene du anadwo a obre ansa na da ojonso amoja osetia na etia ni na Dr. Nimo Niwat Scientific Clinic berena ngabwa amanema de de ma hum ya ye kra no oretimi so na yisem no so no obo modern edosodo so abamba ni musa aban we no o de kan ya ye we ya na eboa etimi amanema koye pere ma na akona so ye so a obedosodo so ansa na duru bia no wa bomode etimi edi ama seje na entimi ensa ya ye enti hihia wa ye no open kumasi atonsu munako all seat adansu ya bango no onsa betimi aka no obo no mode an laboratory services no scan services ne machines outdoor no de eye adwuma no uru amu kumase a ejoda kokosi memenda anopa no so abodi apai mu kokosi enwumre no nsia no abomoden ayentoto ene de amankran so no ya woda bia ekokosi memenda na jese anopa no so abodi apai mu ekokosi enwumre no nsia no obomode di sa adwuma na ebo amantoto ene koyi so no etimi bantu pen akra uru ani chemo circle inside Fotorama na jese omo Ebengor filling station no all seat NS chemist no fa the number no nane no ending komo no mboa na ebibia anko ye pen famanti number no 0244 087687 0244 087687 na 0279 087687 0279 087687 yamboa na ne mande da ye pa entimi enfama na hyehyɛ no so no entimi enko ye ntiramu na yamboa na ebibia ande da di so no entimi emfa amount no mehwe na mabomodin na yetimi ewram ne yakona yakwa didi nkomo na bibibia so no etimi adeda ye so no etimi edi ama na hyehyɛ no so no etimi akoye ti mamehwe na Miki ebetra se na wadi nkomo we ama me aba na Kofi Poku ewrama Nation FC na yekoba amene no etimi aba beto aso na aboa ma ne ma deda di so etimi ara ma di no Miki ma minja mu fama won na din komo we bra after no me ba na ma ba beto aso na niam adeda di ti every abano ya to baby abi kro mo de ne de hon sem bibri na ma ya nte eze ne special aid e de ma Dr. Anto empinfo na ejina no ba ko wa ma no so nti no ma minja mu na ko na nini komo bra
okay openi akwaba na yedoba Sompa TV ne Sompa FM so na sɛnea ɛhyehyɛ ne sitie no na ɛsɛ yɛbɛsɛ sɛ wankasa wobɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ wodi berɛ na wabɔ din no fo de ama na obi ɔtie obi ɔhwɛ biara no ɛnso ɛtumi afolo nkɔmmɔ no pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ akɔ ne hɔ nti hello
sir.
Yeah, me pacha afɛ deɛ ɔte me nka
pacha me to nka
okay na me bisa o kasa de ma Dr. Chasanto ana me boa
pacha yan
na sɛ o ba be kyerɛkyerɛm according to Dr. Chasanto sɛ na nyoma asi course na me pacha wan kasa odi ne yɛ den
pacha bless atom na me kase
brabion
bless atom bless
okay well yɛnkɔ enra na ɛwɔ sanka bronga hafo regional football association elections no ɛba so na yɛhwɛ ni ma sɛ biribi abɛdeda na kwan mu na enti ɛnya ne sɛ afei kora deɛ ɛnya ade abatoɔ no tumi baa so na yɛnim deɛ akɔ akɔsie si yɛtu ahyɛ da sei anaasɛ pɔtee wona na awɔ hɔ enra nkyerɛkyerɛmu no from mo camp no sɛn ne si yɛteɛ
Mame na wasi na menche wati for na menche widia our football industry in the Bonga Half region of Ghana. Na menche Ghana Football Association as a mother body. Na menche widia our football loving fans. Ghana ha afana badia and a Bonga Half issue. Minya the tense enche na GSA at the roadmap ya the better about for the year 2023 when you share ACCA or football machine in Indiana, associated VFAs, RFAs, GFAs, that is any of my council, effectively. That's why I'm paying for video money. The tennis GFA notify RFA, no, my doctor has to copy form, FIA convert, and MVI successful my SRC campaigner. Na ye change say the drama ya swaba when you for the by said run and ke was swaba and prepare say ye kaya for ground na ya pa ko swaba and that was 3rd October and nya a provisional list of delegates on the baba swaba no GFA any sign the sense say no more per se candidates mission delegates that swaba no if there are anomalies nanka elections committee na address you see the elections being being chaos at the venue and the intercept provisional list no that was 3rd October which was Tuesday quickly receive and calls from clubs from DFs from constituent bodies the list na abano and no and almost presented come RFN so there are anomalies and there are serious anomalies about the delegates list now about mountain. So we wrote to the elections committee. I'm responding. I say, "Oma, we have grievance. No, they will respond to us accordingly. They will find a way. I refer to resolve it. Anomalies now or delegates list. No, until elections committee in Champion and NRA, they call down so no. Na and she more free Robert and said before the election we take it off. No, supervisors now SIU. I'm gonna be sharing for. Mobile candidates now, or baby vice for position, and now my meeting. And some employer accreditation. Now elections not in So in Chomushia candidates may decide the delegates list now ban. To my children, Juana, and my doctor Charles Anto, every year, to my children, elections committee now, so make a final resolving, but the young resolving. And the commodity money say challenges no. Ampa amare pa ma won say anta e wo ba bi ho no ma anomalies e wo misa Sophie Ashanti Misha ka ono see contestant and so e ka ta ampa ho say anomalies e wo delegates album na constant bodies Elizabeth Cricket Association Referees Association but juvenile clubs school and college federation no more leadership in now was present at the ground and after how many candidates we meet me and decide say candidates no would they allow them us to use the delegates list now anomalies from no na say the so na in favor over court na what I could justify no ma Dr. Chazanti camp every no football instructors does not even permit us to go to ordinary court nti wo ka se yento aba na yewie na enko court no ensure that tries to move from de na elections committee no ebese omo eche omo no nsusu ya omo de baaye no enti delegates ena eba beto aba no omo mu bi ena system aba omo list no enti ebe kwa koto ama delegates no wa abontin any omo support Dr. Charles Anthony say delegates no